Singson this afternoon may not be as pleasant as they would want it to be.
Yan ang magandang matchup, si Tang King Sen versus Dale Singson. Alam natin na for a time, sa UST nagsama sila. At si Sho Tang King Sen na served as like a mentor kay Dale Singson nung bago si Dale Singson. It was Sho Tang King Sen's last year nung rookie si Dale Singson.
The 2 point guards from different UST championship teams ang babanggan. Ayan na sila going at it. Singson with a miss, and this crossover game is underway. Coach Fagus, you handled Binky as an assistant coach with UST. Ano ba talaga susi no, sa pagpigil dito kay Dale Devil Singson?
Alam mo, si Dale, of course, may mga weaknesses siya noon. Pero yun ang nakikita ko sa kanya dito sa NBA. Lahat ng mga weaknesses niya, na-cover niya. Dati hindi siya masyadong prolific sa labas. Ngayon, nakakatira na siya, nakakatira sa 3-point. So napakahirap talagang depensahan niya si Dale.
Turnover ng Pampanga Dragons. They threw the ball away. Bola pupunta sa panig ng Iloilo Megavolts. Let's look at Yoyo Villamin. Referees for the game, referee Ocampo, referee Contreras, and referee Fabres. Looking at yung starting lineups, wala masyadong binago ang dalawang kupunan for Pampanga. As always, si Arik, hindi niya talaga ginagalaw yan ng masyado yung kanyang starting lineup. Ronald Magtulis with the basketball against Bong Alvarez. That's an interesting matchup. Kino over to Singson. Thought about the three, working on Tang King Sen. Great defense by Sho Tang King Sen. Ball is alive. Ato Morano will finish the break.
Right from the start, nakikita na natin kagad yung tibay ng depensa na pinapakita ng Pampanga Dragons. Nasabi mo kanina, Miko, na mahihirapan yung magiging depensa ni Dale Singson. Pero sigurado ko, mahihirapan din si Dale Singson dito kay Sho Tang King Sen.
They will try to take advantage of that mismatch all afternoon long, pero hindi nila pwedeng kalimutan si Ronald Magtulis.
Oh, yan ang pakonti-konting natututunan ni Dale at napakagaling ni Dale dyan. Alam ni Dale na pakonti-konti na siyang dinodouble ng mga nakakalaban nila at napakagaling niyang humanap ng open man. Every time they double him, meron na nilibre sa kabila at napakagaling niyang pumasa.
Remember, ito si Dale Singson started the NBA 99 tournament with a 30-plus explosion in Bacolod. At habang dahan-dahan bumababa yung kanyang averages, natututo siyang ma-appreciate at ma-recognize yung kanyang mga kakampi. Bong Alvarez with the basketball. May mga iniinda-inda pang injury itong si Bong Alvarez. Missed that layup, rebound by Joey Santamaria. The Iloilo Megavolts trying to get the early lead. Singson for 3, that is a miss. Rebound by Bautista. Sho Tang King Sen naghahanap ng papasahan. He will take the jumper. Yes!
Hindi mo talaga pwedeng iwanan si Sho Tang King Sen doon sa range na yun. Halos siguradong shoot na yun pagka nabitawan mo siya ron.
Francis Aquino. Joy Santa Maria. Megavolts going to move the ball around well. Polistico against Long David. Polistico gets the basket. May foul from Long David and he will have a chance for a bonus free throw.
Alam mo, masayang-masaya ako para dito kay Dong Polistico. Off San Miguel, nung naglaro siya sa nalipas sa PBL, akala ko hindi na siya makakabalik sa basketball. As we see this fast break by FedEx.
FedEx, of course, we live to deliver the easy layup for Ato Morano. And as we go back to live action, we're looking at Dong Polistico trying to complete the three-point play. He does.
Sinasabi ko nga, si Dong Polistico, akala ko hindi na makakabalik sa basketball. Ngayon, nakikita natin kondisyon at nakakatakbo siya sa floor. Ngayon, nakakalaro pa siya sa poste. Tuwan-tuwa ko na nakabalik siya rito sa game natin.
Polistico, of course, helping out with 7 rebounds a game para sa Iloilo Megavolts.
14, offensive.
May offensive foul laban kay Shot Tang King Sen. Magiging mahaba itong hapon ito para kay Shot. Walang kaduda-duda yan.
Oo, totoo yan. At talagang yun ang mukhang assignment niya. Ngayon lang siya in-start ni Coach Arik. Hindi naman siya usually in-start talaga.
Correct.
Sigurado, para depensa niya talaga si Dale Singson.
Bong Alvarez will be called for tugging on the jersey of Ronald Magtulis. This is another interesting matchup, Coach Bink, as we look at Maricuna.
Oh, naunahan mo lang ako doon. Sasabihin ko nga sana sa'yo na maganda yung matchup ni Alvarez at ni Magtulis. Veterano, laban sa rookie, pero parehong napakagaling dito sa dalawang kupunan na to.
And very exciting to watch. And this play could be very exciting as it happens. They count the basket.
Exciting baka mo. Ayan na, pinakita na agad ni Bong Alvarez kung gaano exciting yung laro niya.
Of course, the coaching staff tells us na itong si Bong Alvarez hindi pa siya 100%. Marami pa siyang mga nireklamo na sakit-sakit sa kanyang katawan. But as we all know, alam mo naman, pag superstar ka, you are paid to play even with pain, no?
Oh, at sa lagay na yun, wala pang 100% siya dyan.
Oo. But he does not complete the three-point play. Ang ating score, 6-5 lamang ng isa ang Pampanga Dragons. Aquino inside, misses. He gets his own miss. Pero umaandar pa rin ang shot clock ng Iloilo. Air ball mula kay Ronald Magtulis. Asking for a foul. He will not get it. Tangkinsen over to Bong Alvarez. Alvarez for three. No. Dale Singson did not expect him to slow things down. Again, nakakita ng puwang siya atake but lost the basketball in that sequence. Pampanga still up by one. Tangkinsen from 16.
Kaya nga sinasabi ko dito, exactly the same spot, pero dun sa kabilang side naman, hindi mo pwedeng iwanan si Shot Tangkinsen ng ganun kabukas talaga.
Tangkinsen now has 4 of Pampanga's 8 points. Ito, Morana trying to get the steal na bangga ng bahagya si Ronald Magtulis.
Alam mo, itong Pampanga Dragons, natalo sila dun sa last game nila, dito sa bahay nila. At alam natin ang Pampanga Dragons, hindi pa sila natatalo ng dalawang consecutive times dito sa bahay nila. Kaya nakikita natin that right from the start, grabe na kagad ang intensity ng Pampanga Dragons, especially sa depensa.
Dale may be playing tight, no? Kaya pinasok muna itong si Joey Mente. Of course, we already elaborated during the pregame, no? The pressure of Dale Singson playing against his former mentor. Magtulis, hook shot, short. Rebound by Bong Alvarez and the Dragons will run. He has Tangkinsen and Morano. He gives it to Shot Tangkinsen. Does not score, pero merong foul. So far, the little guy from Pampanga, a guy who led UST to an undefeated season back in '93, playing well so far in the early moments of this crossover game. Muntik pang makabuo ng 3-point play. He is on the line for 2 free throws.
So far, nagdo-dominate ang Pampanga Dragons. Nanggagaling sa depensa nila, pinapakita nila yung intensity nila sa depensa at nakaka-create sila off transition. So far, hindi pa sila nagsiset ng bola doon sa half-court offense nila, pero hindi na nila kinakailangan dahil nakaka-create sila na nakaka-create off the transition.
Ay, itong si Befyun Tangkinsen averaging 5 points a game, napantayan na niya yung kanyang season average.
Oh, talagang medyo bonus yan kay Coach Harek. Alam natin kaya siya pinasok para depensa lang si Dale, pero may bonus si shot, nakaka-score pa ngayon.
And now he will have to defend Joey Muscovado Mente, Mr. High Energy ng Iloilo Megavolts. Pampanga is up by 4 with 8 minutes to go in the first. Francis Aquino, 4-3.
Alam mo, speaking of matchup, isang magandang matchup din yan, si Aquino at si Morano. 2 of the best shooters of the league.
Ang problema kay Aquino, he's a in-betweener. Hindi mo alam kung saan siya ilalagay. He can play the 2 guard, he can play the 3 small forward spot.
Oh, totoo yan. Medyo problema nga yan. But on the other hand, medyo deceiving yan. Akala ng mga tao, mabagal siya, biglang umatake sa basket yan. Akala ng mga tao, hindi titira, biglang tumitira sa labas yan.
Bong Alvarez na ipit na kanina pero nakapuntos pa rin as Joey Mente burning rubber. Francis Aquino will try a long jumper. It's the front end of the rim. Rebound by Dave Bautista. Dragons are taking care of a 3-point lead, 11-8. With 7 minutes to play in the first quarter. Magtulis, niligitan si Bong Alvarez. Alvarez feels he can go past Magtulis. Shoots, doesn't score. Rebound by Polistico. And Francis Aquino will have a walk in the park.
At yan ang pinakamalaking contribution itong si Dom Polistico dito sa kanyang koponan. Kukuha siya kagad na rebound at napakagaling niya magbigay ng baseball pitch na yon at nakaka-create ang Iloilo off transition.
Helping Aquino make easy shots. Aquino shooting over 50% from the field this season. Long David, tahimik pa to. Hihintay pa natin ang kanyang pagbulusok. Bintes ang tira ni Long David. Joey Mente to Aquino. Another layup for the Iloilo Megavolts.
Kanina, sinasabi nga natin na puro transition yung ginagawa ng Pampanga. Ngayon, it's the Iloilo Volts time para sila naman ang mag-run ng kanilang fast break.
At may violation ng Pampanga. As we look at this FedEx fast break, we live to deliver. The Iloilo Megavolts running over Pampanga to get a 1-point lead, 12-11. Meron tayong timeout. Magbabalik ang NBA.
Drew International Pack. Hartman, the NBA Under Fashion, the only undergarment made of 100% super cone cotton.
We were expecting Dale Singson to start strong, but it's the size and poise of Dong Polistico na namamayani. Polistico now with 5 points and 4 rebounds.
Ang layo nung tinira ni Polistico na yun. Dati hindi niya tinitira yon.
And good defense on Long David. The Megavolts ahead by 3. Magtulis loses the basketball. Pero meron tulak na nakita laban kay Ato Morano, is second personal foul.
Alam mo, ayoko maging paulit-ulit. Nakikita natin dito si Dong Polistico. Ang laki ng value na binibigay niya sa team niya. Nakakadepensa siya ng maganda, nakakakuha siya ng mga rebound at nai-outlet niya ng maayos. At napakalaking tulong ang binibigay niya dito sa Iloilo Bolts.
Remember how Iloilo got that early lead. Rebounds by Polistico, baseball pass to Aquino for 2 layups. And that's why Iloilo is ahead by 3 with 6 minutes to play in the first.
This early in the game, nagkaroon tayo ng dalawang streak. Nag-streak yung Pampanga kanina. Ngayon, it's the Volts' turn para mag-streak naman sila.
Well, alam naman natin itong dalawang komponent can really score in bunches. No? Very explosive in nature. Dragons and Megavolts, kaya nga ganun ang kanilang mga pangalan. Magtulis to Aquino. Hit a 3 earlier. As we mentioned, Iloilo loves to move the ball around, but they're smothered inside. Magtulis trying to operate. Difficult shot. Gets his own miss and scores again. Ito naman ang gusto mo kay Magtulis, hindi siya sumusuko.
Oo, grabe yung hustle ngayon. Medyo hindi maganda yung tinira niya, pero hindi siya sumuko. Kinuha niya yung rebound at na-putback pa niya.
5:26 to play. Iloilo up by 5. The crowd here in Pampanga a bit restless. Well, hindi rin kasi biro itong pinagdadaanan ng ating mga kaibigan dito sa San Fernando. Itong Pampanga getting that nasty habit of, yun nga, sabi mo nga, Fernando po tawag dito, nature, ano, papatambak muna, tapos hahabol sa huli.
At yun ang mga hinang maganda sa mga Kapampangan. Miski na ganyan, hindi sila sumusuko sa team nila. Palaging puno pa rin ang kanilang Coliseum.
Wong Alvarez over to Ballesteros, who hits the basket. And as we wait for the game to subside, nalasin in Korea Tanwaco. She has a report from the Iloilo bench.
Yes, Miko, Iloilo is seeking to exploit the double team that Pampanga has on Ronald Magtulis. Pag nakikita nila yung double team, kailangan silang mag-cut agad. They also want to spot up Anching Aquino, who is very hot right now. Defensively, they are doing all right. They must challenge the shots, however, bawal yung magsundot-sundot. Back to you, Miko, Binky.
You know, Ria, eksakto yung iyong report. Dahil itong si Magtulis, he was driving to the lane, saw the double team, binigay agad kay Polistico.
Alam mo, dito sa pro talaga, yan ang kapansin-pansin talaga. Lahat ng mga teams are already trying to recognize the double. Kung sino yung pinaka nakaka-recognize the double at kung sino yung pinaka nakaka-create off the double, yun ang mga nagiging successful. Dahil yung mga players na nagsashine dito, yung mga star players dito, siguradong dodobolin ng mga kalaban. So nagki-create sila dun sa weak side.
Joy Santamaria is on the line dahil sa first personal foul ni Dave Bautista. The first is good. Joy Santamaria, of course, coming out of LaSalle and a long-time pro player. He's averaging just about 5 points per game, pero ang malaking tulong niya talaga sa rebounding, over 6 rebounds per outing. Shotang Kinsen, still in the game, hindi pa pinapalitan. Dragons trying to erase a 4-point deficit. Over 4 minutes to play in the first. Morano for 3. Strong. Nag-pick na Bautista with a putback. Wala pa rin. Labanan para sa rebound ako ni Alvarez, pero binura ni Dong Polistico, who has played magnificently dito sa first quarter.
Kitang-kita natin yung intensity ng Pampanga Dragons, kaya leading sila palagi sa rebounding. Grabe yung intensity nila underneath the boards.
At abangan ninyo, magkakaroon dito ng isang bull kasing tikit na shot block mula kay Dong Polistico. As we go back to live action, Dong Alvarez connecting for 6th point and cutting down Iloilo's lead to 2. And still trying to bother Ronald Magtulis. Magtulis nakawala mula sa depensa ni Alvarez. Kick out to Mente with a wild shot. Bola lalabas at pupunta sa panig ng Pampanga. Once again, ang ganda ng turnout dito sa Pampanga Convention Center despite yung mga paghihirap na nararanasan ng Pampanga Dragons, and that just goes to show how the fans here love their defending national champions. Illegal defense Nakikita dito sa depensa ng Iloilo. Samantala, pakinggan natin ang tinig nila si Schultz at may ulat siya mula sa panig ng Pampanga.
Thanks, Miko. Well, a strong start for the Pampanga Dragons, but I think they have to work a little harder against the Iloilo Megaballs. Wala silang mga offensive rebounds at dahil dito, puro fast break ang inaabot nila galing sa Iloilo Megaballs. Ang sabi nga ni Coach Arik, he's a little upset about the scheduling because their games are like 2 weeks, every 2 weeks, kaya nagiging sluggish ang kanyang mga boys. So he tells them, it doesn't really matter, kailangan practice na lang tayo. So let's see if something better can happen for them in this game. Miko, Binky?
Well, understandably, pag masyado kasi matagal na nababakante ang mga malalaro, alam naman natin, 1 week lang hindi ka mag-practice, bumibigat na yung katawan mo.
Oh, sa linggo naming mga coaches, yan ang tinatawag naming kinakalawang yung mga players. Hindi pwedeng masyadong matagal yung gaps in between games.
And Ballesteros connecting on a long jumper that gives Pampanga the lead, 19-18. Pero yan naman ang challenge dito sa north to south schedule. Kung matagal ka mababakante, it gives a premium on proper practicing.
Oh, totoo yan. Pero alam mo, may problema pa yan later on. Kung medyo matagal yung mga gaps ng games mo ngayon, ibig sabihin later on, magkakasunod-sunod yung mga games mo. So, magkakaroon ka na naman ng problema dahil masyado maiksi naman yung mga gaps later on.
Kung kaya't hindi ako coach. Pampanga up by 1, 19-18. Over 3 minutes to play. It has been a slam bang affair so far. Matibing palitan ng mga puntos. Singson is back in the game. De Guzman in the game. Gives it to Bong Alvarez who shoots from the left corner but misses. Rebound ni Dale Singson. At tatakbo na naman ang Megaballs to Santa Maria. Well, it's not really a good idea to give Santa Maria the basketball on the run. Ballesteros, he can finish the break.
Grabe, again, nag-turnover na naman yung Iloilo Balls. Tapos nakakonvert na naman yung Pampanga Dragons. At yan ang mahirap, hindi ka pwede mag-turnover against sa Pampanga Dragons dahil nare-recognize sila kagad yung transition game nila.
3-point lead for the Dragons. 2:46 to play dito sa first quarter. Semi-isolation to Dale Singson. Gives it to Bong Polistico. Polistico against Bautista. Polistico nagano. Papasahan. Nahanap si Dale Singson alone underneath.
And that should break the momentum of the Pampanga Dragons somewhat. Pampanga Dragons on a 10-2 run bago nung tira na yon sa ilalim.
Alvarez. Out to De Guzman trying to give De Guzman the assist. De Guzman atake. Smothers inside. Mawawala yung bola. And we'll go to the side of Iloilo. Samantala, meron tayong timeout. Timeout ng Pampanga Dragons. Lamang sila ng isa. Babalik po kami dito sa Pampanga.
Propecia Lines luxury vessels leaves Manila to Cebu 5 times weekly every Sunday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday.
Halos platoon substitution itong ginawa ni Coach Danny Gaveres. Maliban kay Dale Simpson, bago na lahat ng manlalaro for the side of Iloilo. Nandun si Yoyo Villamin, Dominic Uy, Jojo Lim, and Roy Lura.
Actually, si Dale, kakapasok lang din niya right before that timeout. At dyan mo makikita kung gaano kalalim yung bench ng Iloilo Balls.
I agree. Ito ang ating Hardy Flex Board candidates, si Dave Bautista at si Dong Polistico. Dominic Uy on the line. Makes the first. Dominic Uy, of course. Star player yan ng LaSalle Green Hills, and then of course lumipat siya logically to LaSalle Taft, to the Green Archers. Malas lang yan, no? Dami niyang malalakas na player na nakasabay. It was only during his senior year na talagang nakapagpakita itong si Dominic Uy.
Oh, pero okay lang dahil ngayon nagsashine siya dito sa Iloilo Balls.
At tinabla niya ang ating laban, 21-21, less than 2 minutes to go dito sa first quarter. Bong Alvarez na tanga ng bola. Pinabantayan ni Jojo Lim, 2 veterans going at it. Another veteran shooting from the 3, misses. Ang rebound mapupunta kay, ito talaga pinaka-veteran sa lahat, si Yoyoy.
The Superman.
Oh. Tabla pa rin tayo, 21-21. Roy Lura, very, very proud product of Cebu basketball. After a very slow start, Lura is now a steady contributor. As you look at this DHL assist, DHL, every second counts. And as we go back to live action, si Rio Lito Lura averaging over 10 points a game. Ariel Garcia pumasok na rin, defensive stopper ni Coach Arik Del Rosario.
Alam mo, Miko, kayo na pa tayo paulit-ulit na yung mga magagandang matchup, si Dale Singson, si Shotang Pinsen. Ngayon, nandito naman si Jojo Lim, nandito si Dominic Uy. Tapos biglang may nakita tayong hindi natin kilalang pangalan, si Lura, pero one of the top scorers ito ng Iloilo Balls. At alam mo, itong dalawa na to, I think will be safe to say na ito yung dalawang teams na pinaka-deep ang bench sa buong NBA.
In fact, Jojo Lim, who is averaging 8 points and 6 rebounds a game, he just comes off the bench, rarely starts for Iloilo. Singson with a steal. Yes, that will be a problem for Aldrin Morante, how to deal with the quick Dale Singson, who misses the layup. Garcia having problems with the basketball. Gets control of it. Out to Morante for the 3. No. Offensive rebound for Pampanga. Ballesteros keeping the ball alive. Garcia, the baseline, too short. Jojo Lim starting the break. He will stop, he will pop, and he will score.
Grabe, tinuloy-tuloy na ni Jojo Lim.
Jojo Lim naman, of course, is almost automatic from the perimeter.
Alam mo si Jojo Lim could be the best shooter sa 12 feet to 17 feet range.
Ballesteros, Uratan to go for the steal. Less than 30 seconds to play in the first. De Guzman sa ilalim. This is what you need from Andy De Guzman. He will not give you 20 points per game, but he will give you impact points, no? Veteran that he is, high leaper pa, and this is what he can do.
At yan ang maganda sa mga veterano natin. Alam mo, usually yung mga veterans natin will just do the things that's needed of them. Hindi na sila naghahanap na sumikat pa sila, na makascore sila, na makascore. They'll just do what kung ano yung kailangan sa kanilang coach nila, kung anong kinakailangan ng team nila.
But De Guzman misses the bonus free throw. So Pampanga down by 2. 14 seconds left. This is the first quarter. Shot clock is off. Dale Singson knows the time remaining. 7 seconds left. Singson to Villamin. Villamin does the cha-cha. Ang bola babalik sa panig ng Pampanga. They have 4.2 seconds to come up with a shot.
Medyo nagulat si Villamin na biglang nalibre siya, kaya inatake niya. Pero he took steps.
4.2 seconds left in the first. It has to be a pass and someone will have to scamper. Uy, good if it goes. No. At dyan po nagtatapos ang banggaan sa pagitan ng Pampanga at ng Iloilo. Lamang ang Megavolts ng 2 puntos, 25-23. Magpapatuloy ang NBA action mula sa San Fernando right after the short break.
End of this game. Mobilite Battery, ang bateriyang pangmatagalan.
And as always, basta ang director natin, si Al Neri, ang mata niya parang mata ng agila, no? Walang pinapalagpas. Of course, Mrs. Bong Alvarez enjoying the action. And once again, maayab Gatpanapon, Pilipinas. Live na live po tayo mula sa San Fernando, Pampanga, ang tahanan ng national champions Pampanga Dragons. Ang kanilang mga bisita mula naman sa Visayas, the Iloilo Megavolts. A slice of this very excited crowd enjoying this NBA Sunday shootout. By the way, earlier nanalo po ang Cagayan de Oro over Pangasinan 103-92. So far for this game, lamang ang Iloilo Megavolts ng dalawa, 25-23.
Shot clock 4 seconds.
Dale Singson, of course, as we mentioned, for the first time meeting his mentor, and Singson with a steal and completes it with a layup on the other end and gives Iloilo a 4-point lead. As we mentioned, lahat ng point guards ng Pampanga medyo sasakit ang ulo ngayong hapon dito kay Dale Singson.
Oh, talaga nagpapalit-palitan sila para magkaroon ng iba-ibang looks si Dale Singson.
And looks like Ariel Garcia gave up the foul. Look at that steal from Dale Singson. And he will finish off that FedEx fast break. FedEx, we live to deliver. And Singson coming off a great all-around game against San Juan last Wednesday. 23 points, 5 rebounds, 7 assists, 4 steals. May isang block pa.
Oh, talagang all-around game na si Dale Singson. Napapansin nga natin, medyo bumababa na yung scoring niya. Pero yung statistical points naman niya sa ibang departments, pataas na pataas.
Lamang pa rin ng Iloilo ng apat. Apat pa rin with that miss from Villamin. The Dragons trying to run. De Guzman asking for the basketball. Morante will give it to Andy De Guzman. Pampanga down by 4. De Guzman will go back to Morante. Another steal by Dale Singson. And easy layup.
Alam mo, kung umpisa pa lang ng second quarter, nakakadalawa na kagad si Dale Singson ng ganon.
Singson is averaging over over 2 steals per ball game, so that is not surprising.
Ang mahirap kay Dillingson, pag nastilang kanya, halos siguradong meron na silang 2 points sa kabilang end.
Dominic Uy has a smile on his face. Tumagan siya ng kanyang first personal foul. Let's see what happened. Uy against Ballesteros. Two players who are very familiar with each other dahil sa kanilang mga bungguan back in the UAAP.
Tagal na sila nagbabangga.
Ito namang si Coach Arik, marami na siyang magagaling na point guard na hinasa. Of course, starting with the Tang Sen, then of course, Baldavid, then you have Dale Singson, Billy Reyes. Meron pa isa, hindi ko Vincent Fabius ba yun?
Yun.
Yun ba yun?
Oo.
Balita ko, nag-broadcasting na rin daw.
Yun. Pero alam mo, hindi, marami talaga na-produce na players si Coach Arik. Sila Dennis Espino, sila Ray Evangelista. Dito sa NBA, ang dami rin. Sila Udoy Belmonte. Alam mo, parang tatay namin yan si Coach Arik. Miski hanggang ngayon, nagko-coach na ako. Parang ang trato ko pa rin sa kanya, parang mentor ko pa rin. Every now and then, nagtatanong ako sa kanya. Every now and then, nagpapatulong ako sa kanya. And he will always be willing to give that extra hand.
Let's not forget the other members of yung championship team si Arik. Of course, Ballesteros.
Si Ballesteros, oo.
And Romel David, who is with San Juan.
Si Bernardo, galing din kay Coach Arik yun.
Yes,
Laguna.
Who unfortunately suffered a major injury in that game against Cagayan de Oro. And of course, all our prayers para dyan kay Ryan Bernardo for his speedy recovery. Hindi masyadong maganda kasi yung mga balita. We just hope all the best for that very young, promising player. Tinawagan na second personal foul itong si Dominic Uy. Para sa dalawang kupunan, kanya-kanyang problema sa matchup for Dominic Uy. This will be a very tough assignment trying to handle Estong Ballesteros.
Pero si Dominic Uy, alam natin na kung si Shotang Sen ang primary role niya sa Pampanga ay depensa, yan naman ang primary role ni Dominic Uy para sa kanyang kupunan.
Mintis yung unang free throw ni Estong Ballesteros. He is trying to cut down that Iloilo lead. And that lead is down to 4. 29-25 over 10 minutes to play dito sa second quarter. Tatawag ng 30-second timeout ang Iloilo Megavolts. Naritong 30-second timeout ay hatid sa inyo ng Winston, now in a new international packet. Let's listen to the voice of Coach Danny Gavieres dyan sa Iloilo bench.
Magtulis! Yoyoy! Joey! Jojo!
Down pick lang ako kayo.
No!
Down pick ka lang sa akin.
Okay! Ikaw na ngayon! Ha? Yoy! Angat! Yoy! Tira mo sa kanya! Si Alvarez sa tao niya, kaya niya yan! Okay?
Yung pick and roll nila kay Alvarez, open up lang.
Open up na lang! Okay? Let's go!
Joe.
Coach Danny Gavieres, of course, always intense. At isa pang intense na aming bossing. Of course, Mr. Danny Bernardo, Vice President for the Regional Network Group of ABS-CBN, alongside George Padolina, Vice President, Regional Network Group for Luzon. And of course, si Jerry Bennett, kaibigan natin yan from the Regional Network Group Radio and Program Production Manager. And they're here enjoying the action sa Pampanga Convention Center. Magtulis, baseline drive, out to Jojo Lid, in and out. Benjamin with a rebound. At ito na yun, wala kita manifestation ng rebounding by committee. Pero may tulak yata laban kay Villamin, offensive foul ang tatawag sa kanya.
Hindi nagustuhan ni Coach Danny Gavieres yun dahil umakyat talaga si Villamin, kinuha niya yung rebound tapos tinawagan siya ng foul.
Actually, it was on Ronald Magtulis, his second foul. But Iloilo is still up by 4, 29-25. Morano baseline drive. Meron na siyang 4 na puntos.
Si Morano, pakonti-konti na siya natututo magpunta sa kaliwa niya dahil alam niyang palagi siyang dinidepensahan sa kanan.
Iloilo's lead down to 2. Time down to 9 minutes and 46 seconds. Yoyoy against Wong David. The veteran against the youngster. The spin by Yoyoy out to Singson. Nice pass inside to Joey Santa Maria.
Yun ang sinasabi natin. Diyan magaling si Yoyoy Villamin, yung mga veterano natin. Pagka nakakita siya ng double, nakikick out niya at nakaka-create sila ng mga opening dun sa weak side.
4 points para kay Joey Santa Maria. 4 points din ang lamang ng Iloilo. 31-27. Morano to Ballesteros. From the right corner to Strong. Rebound ni Long David. New shot clock for Pampanga. David working inside. Missing. Morante nangungulit. Tatawagan ng foul.
Grabe si Morante, fumaul siya ron, pero grabe ang tapang niya. Medyo hinarap pa na siya ng braso ni Yoyoy Villamin, pero hindi niya inagrasan. Talagang pinursu pa rin niya yung bola.
Well, of course, yan naman ang asset mo kay Adrian Morante, yung kanyang kakulitan, so to speak.
Kaya naman ngayon, hirap na hirap si Dale Singson.
Dave Bautista will go back in the game. He will replace Estong Ballesteros. Ballesteros will sit down with 9 points to his name. The score, 31-27. 4-point lead for the Iloilo Megabolts. They're trying to set up. They give it inside to Magtulis, who will lose the basketball. Recovered by Bautista. Over 8 minutes to play dito sa first half. Morano scored on a baseline drive earlier. Out to Morante. He can hit the three. No.
Sayang yan, ang ganda ng fake ni Morante.
Singson. So shifty and so quick on the dribble.
Quickly, papasok agad ni Coach Arek si Shotang Kingsen dahil fumaul na agad ng fumaul si Morante. At yan naman ang problema ni Dale Singson. Mapapagod sa kanya si Morante, pagpasok si Tang Kingsen naman. Talagang walang tigil ang problema ni Singson dito sa game na to.
At uubusin pa nila yung kanilang combined 10 fouls. 12 fouls. No?
Oo.
Kay Dale Singson, Morante with 2 fouls. Kaya siya ay umupo na. Jojo Lim with the basketball. Working with 12 seconds on the shot clock. Jumper is short. Rebound by Singson. He is taking basket and he makes it.
Yun ang dapat siguro tignan ng Iloilo Bulls dahil para palaging maliliit yung mga nagiging tao ni Dale Singson, baka pwede nilang laruin si Dale Singson sa post.
Singson now with 8 points and 3 steals. Alvarez goes inside, sandwiched by 2 megavolts, misses the layup. Another rebound for Dale Singson, who finds Joey Santa Maria. Play broken up by Dave Bautista. And the offense of Iloilo, yung kanilang running game, masarap panoorin so far.
O, totoo yan. At alam mo, kapansin-pansin na lahat yan ang gagaling doon sa magandang dinidepensa nila.
Inside to Jojo Lim, who will lose it to Long David. 7 minutes, 52 seconds left to play in the first half. 6-point lead for the Megavolts. Morano will go inside. Nabangga, walang foul na tinawag. Singson. The middle to the wingman. Textbook execution of a fast break.
Nakita mo yun, si Yoyoy Villamin, running all over the floor. Galing sa likod, siya ata nakakuha ng rebound, tapos siya pa nag-finish ng fast break.
At tuwang-tuwa yung coaching staff ng Megavolts because lahat nakakatulong dito sa opensa ng Iloilo. Bautista against Santa Maria. At of course, Joey Santa Maria naiwan sa depensa, have to give up the foul. And this assist brought to you by DHL. Every second counts. Textbook execution ng fast break. You have the point guard in the middle and you have your wingman finishing strong on the break.
Yan ang maganda kay Dale Singson. Kung wala siyang tira, ipapasa niya at talagang makikreate niya na maayos para sa kasama niya. Sinabi mo, Miko, na talagang nagtutulong-tulong yung buong team ng Iloilo Bulls. Talagang literal yun. 11 na ang ginagamit nila so far.
Bautista working on Yoyoy. Short ang kanyang jumper. Mente now on the floor. Over to Villamin. Megavolts really love to run this afternoon. Villamin to Magtulis. He will shoot the three. Battle for the rebound. Who will win it? Joey Santa Maria scratching and scrounging for the basketball. Mente from 15. He will miss. Another rebound for Joey Santa Maria.
Grabe yung hustle ni Joey. Denied niya yung loose ball. Hindi pa siya nakontento. Kinuha pa niya yung offensive rebound.
Foul on Estong Ballesteros. At panoorin natin yung intensity, yung hustle ni Joey Santa Maria. Just before that play, nakipag-agawan pa siya sa sahig, scoring the layup plus the foul, and he will have free throws when we return. Meron tayong timeout, magbabalik kami. As Santa Maria misses the free throw, Iloilo 6 of 11, Pampanga 1 of 8. Second quarter rebounding, Iloilo 10 rebounds, Pampanga only 3.
Lahat yan galing sa depensa ng Iloilo Bulls. Normally, maraming namimintis yung Pampanga Dragons, kaya mas marami sila nakukuha rebound. At mas konti ang possession na nabibigay nila sa Pampanga Dragons.
At itong Iloilo on an 8-2 run. And finally, Bong Alvarez snaps itong minor El Nino ng Pampanga sa scoring. Magtulis, medyo wild on the play, loses the basketball. Unfortunately, the basketball will stay with the Iloilo Megavolts.
Alam mo, nakikita natin na so far talagang nagsistreak yung both teams. Kanya-kanyang turno sila ng streak. Kaka-streak lang ng Iloilo Bulls. Ngayon, palagay ko mag-umpisa naman itong Pampanga Dragons.
Nifty play ng Iloilo, magtulis to Villamin. Balik sa 10 ang lamang ng Megavolts. So kanya-kanyang hataw lang itong
Oo,
dalawa.
ang ganda nung ang dami nating highlights. Malaki na naman ang problema natin mamayang halftime.
Problema mo. Alvarez for 3. That is short. Rebound by Magtulis. Megavolts really intend to run all afternoon long, but Magtulis another turnover. And Ato Morano scores on another layup. 6 points for Morano, all on layups.
O, totoo, alam mo, itong dalawang teams na ito talaga, lahat talaga iti-take advantage sila. Pag nag-turnover ka, tatakbuhan ka talaga.
Lead of Iloilo down to 8. Time down to 5 minutes and 43 seconds. Francis Aquino with the basketball. They will go to Joey Mente. Mente against Tanquinsen. They feel it's a mismatch. And Shot Tanquinsen will commit a second personal foul. Ria Tanwatco, ano ba ang balita dyan sa bench ng Iloilo?
Well, Miko, maganda nga yung pinakita ng mga Iloilo Megavolts ngayon, pero kailangan pa sila magtrabaho pa ng konti sa depensa. More specifically, they have to pressure Tanquinsen and Morano. They want to delay Pampanga's setup. And pag nag-pick and roll itong Pampanga, kailangan sila mag-open up para hindi makakaroon ng espasya yung kalaban nila. And Danching Aquino is in there. Watch out for him. They're gonna spot him up. Miko, Binky?
Thank you very much, Ria. They are going to spot up Aquino because he hit 2 long jumpers earlier. Mente is on the line, makes the first free throw. Front end of a 1-on-1 situation. Long David, he has struggled this afternoon. Mente 2 for 2 from the stripe. Balik sa 10 ang lamang ng Iloilo Megavolts. Kaya naman Muscovado ang tawag natin kay Mente kasi parang asukal yung almusal eh. Very hyper and very active. And say hello to Yvette Gavieres, daughter of Coach Gavieres. Siya ang ating nesty, refreshing face of the day.
Medyo talaga nagpapalitan ng katawan tong si Mente at saka si Tanquinsen. Kanina pa sila banggaan ng banggaan at mabuti na yung mga referees natin is in control of this game. Hindi nila papabayaan yung mga banggaan na gano'n.
Tanquinsen hits the front end of a 1-on-1 stint on the line. 6 points now for Tanquinsen. And the lead of Iloilo down to 8, 41-33. Pampanga being very patient, no? Naiwanan ng 10 puntos. Ang kalamangan na yan, 8 na lang. Aquino attacking inside, got hacked on the play. The foul is on Udoy Belmonte bagong pasok sa laro. Aquino will visit the stripe. Francis Aquino so far meron ng 7 puntos. Makes the first. He is averaging 8 points per game and a very good free throw shooter, shooting over 70% from the 15-foot line.
Alam mo, sa mga panahon na ganito, siguro napapaisip si Dale Singson na parang mga kakampi niya, nakikita niya sa loob. Magkakasama ngayon sa loob, si Belmonte, si Ballesteros, tsaka si Tanquinsen.
Partner, baka ikaw ilabas mo yung uniforme mo.
Parang reunion to eh.
Oo. Oh, lahat nga lumapit sa'yo. Nagmano lahat. 10-point lead for the Iloilo Megavolts. Del Monte short, rebound by Joey Santa Maria. Instead of giving it to Aquino, Mente skies to Villamin. Nice pass to Yoyoy. Medyo Sikip lang ng konti yung pasa, but it could have been a very good play.
Oo, sayang. Ang ganda ng recognition ni Mente. Nakita niya nabara siya. Nakita niya nasa likod niya si Villamin. Kaya lang nag-take na steps na naman si Villamin.
Look at the spacing on this sequence, no? If Villamin was just about 2 steps farther, that would have been a perfect play.
Sayang, sayang. Ito was a close call.
So Pampanga will have a chance to move in as we listen to Lexi Schultz, who has a report on the Dragons.
Thanks, Miko. Well, Coach Arik feels that Iloilo's running game is strong, but he knows that when it comes to his smaller boys, kayang-kaya nila. They can run faster. However, Iloilo's defense inside seems to move too quickly today, so they're gonna go for the 3-point shots if Paul Alvarez cannot cut to the basket. And the rebound story, they're still gonna try and tap it out if they can't get the rebounds. Guys, back to you.
At biglang may namato ng
Mani.
supot ng mani.
Sana binigay nila sa atin. Ano?
Oo nga eh. Supot ng mani. Ayun, daming mani sa hardwood. So yun yung sinasabi ni Lexi itong Pampanga. They very well know na ang sikip ng depensa sa loob. So yung kanilang outside shooting must click starting from now.
Oh, kaya lang medyo hindi pa kumukonekta yung mga shooter nila. Sila De Guzman, sila Morano, at si Udoy Belmonte. Kanina pa sila sumusubok pero hindi sila kumukonekta. Pero later on, pagdating ng endgame, baka tsaka sila makashoot.
At merong technical foul dito sa panig ng Pampanga. I think it was against Dave Bautista.
Oh, kinontes kasi ni Dave Bautista yung tawag sa kanya ng referee. Sabi ng referee, tinulak niya. Sabi niya, hindi. So, medyo umangal siya ng konti. Binigyan siya ng technical.
Now, the technical free throw gave Iloilo an 11-point lead. Their biggest lead of the game, 44-33. Villamin missed from the line. A quick foul on Francis Aquino.
Medyo masyadong mahigpit yung mga tinatawag na mga referee. The referee should understand na talagang puro veterano yung mga naglalaro, nagbabanggaan, kinakailangan medyo pabayaan na maglaro yung mga players.
Kasama Binky, may isa pang nagtapon ng supot ng mani. Ito lang panawagan natin, ibigay nyo na lang sa amin yung na itapon. Sayang.
Mabuti, walang platito yung mani.
Of course, alam naman natin gaano kasarap magluto ang mga Kapampangan. So, siguradong malamang yung mani na yan. So, while they're trying to clean the floor, team manager Gil Cortez overseeing mopping operations dun sa ating hardwood. Ang ating score, 44-33. 11-point lead for the Iloilo Megavolts. This crowd is restless because ayaw na naman nilang makita ng isa pang malaking lamang. Of course, yung sa Cebu, that was, although they lost the game, they had to fight back, fight real hard just to keep the game close.
Yan ang talagang mabigat dito sa Pampanga. Yung mga ibang teams, 12 lang yung naglalaro para sa kanila. Dito yung buong Coliseum naglalaro para sa kanila. Talagang nararamdaman nila yung tulong ng kanilang mga kababayan.
Well, the security personnel dito sa Pampanga Convention Center trying to restore order dito sa ating laro. Well, ito nangyari kanina. Cagayan de Oro nanalo sa Pangasinan Waves 103-92. Richie Tixon scoring 19 points and hitting 3 3-pointers. May 10 assists pa to lift the Amigos over the Waves. Maganda rin yung nakikita natin sa Cagayan de Oro. That team beginning to get its act together.
Oh, nung in-interview si Tixon, ang ganda nung sinabi niya. Sinabi niya, we're starting to be confident. We're starting to play good. We're starting to believe in ourselves. Eh, napakaganda yan. Kasi at this point, kinakailangan talaga more than the record, more than the standings. Ang importante ngayon, yung pakonti-konting umandar na yung sistema mo.
And Tixon also is shooting. Nakaharap na niya yung kanyang range. Belmonte hitting the free throw to bring the lead of Iloilo down to 11, 44, to make that 9, 44-35.
Great vision by David. Nakita niyang may mismatch kay Morante, humelpa agad siya ron.
Time down to 4 minutes and 18 seconds dito sa first half. The Dragons staging a comeback in the first 24 minutes of action. Ballesteros against Magtulis. Difficult shot from Eston. And Magtulis will have the basketball. He will lead the break. Middle to the wingman. Miss. Aquino, no. Lucky. That was a lucky putback mula kay Francis Aquino. Volleyball tap to the basket. Pumasok.
Oh, basta pumasok. That's all that counts.
Okay, no points for style dito sa basketball. 11-point lead para sa Iloilo Megavolts. Over 3 minutes to play. Belmonte with the basketball out to Ballesteros. Ballesteros missed earlier. Kick out to Belmonte. Ilalapit ni Udoy. Back to Ballesteros. The UST connection scoring on that sequence. Aquino saves it to the wrong man.
Talaga nagkakaaguyan pa rin hanggang ngayon si Udoy tsaka si Bale.
Morante to Long David. Iloilo's lead down to 9. 3:14 left to play in the first. And Long David scores his first field goal of the afternoon.
Ito na, nararamdaman ko na yung streak ng Pampanga Dragons. Paingay na ng paingay dito sa Coliseum, Nico.
Lead down to 7. Villamin handcuffed by Long David. Pero ayon sa ating mga referee, meron foul against Long David. Second foul ni Long David. Oh yes, we all love this game. So mamayang halftime, no? Meron tayong feature about the Iloilo Victory Party dahil nanalo nga sila ng kanilang Visayas Division Championship. Of course, halftime highlights ang aking kasama si Binky Favis and halftime reports from Lachi Schultz and Rhea Tanwatco. May timeout ang Iloilo dahil daan-daan ang bumabalik ang mga Dragon ng Pampanga. Magbabalik po kami.
Here at the end of this game. Princess of the World leaves Manila to Surigao and Davao via Cebu every Sunday at 10 a.m.
And you're back with us, live na live po mula sa Pampanga Convention Center para sa North and South Banggaan sa pagitan ng Iloilo at ng Pampanga. Villamin makes the first free throw. Binky, itong Pampanga showing signs of starting a rally at near the end of the first half.
Oh, I was about to feel that already. Kaya lang, fumaul na naman sila kay Yoyoy Villamin. And I really believe that they're fouling too much at this point of the game.
Francis Aquino with a miss from the three-point line. But Dale Singson with the offensive rebound, clear height advantage over Aldrin Morante.
Oo, pero ang problema kasi, tatlo lang ang Dragons sa rumi-rebound. Yung dalawang wingman nila, ready nang tumakbo. Kinakailangan kunin muna nila yung rebound bago sila tumakbo. Dahil kaya sila nasasaktan dito sa Iloilo Bolts dahil doon sa mga offensive rebounds na nakukuha ng Iloilo Bolts.
Dong Polisto is back in the game, is our leading candidate for Hardiflex King of the Boards with 6 rebounds. And as we look at Dale Singson, alam mo, Gabby Cui, of course, still injured, cannot play, but should be back in time for the playoffs. Dale Singson, of course, we put the spotlight on Singson at the start of this game. Pero ang ginawa ni Singson, sabi niya, ayokong nasa akin lang ng limelight. He got his teammates involved at nanatili ng gano'n ang sistema ng Iloilo.
Kaya naman napakagaling ni Dale Singson. Yan ang sinasabi natin, bumababa yung scoring niya, pero yung mga kakampi niya, ipagaling ng pagaling doon sa paligid niya.
That's why Iloilo is up by 9, 48-39. Not anymore.
Ang ganda ng pasa ni Morante. Akala ko, sasabihin ko na nga sana na hindi maganda yung ginawa niya dahil nandun si Polistico sa gitna. Pero nakita niya kagad yung kakampi niya doon sa ilalim na libreng-libre.
At yung libre-libre na yun, si Udoy Belmonte, who cut the lead of Iloilo down to 7. Climbed down to 2 minutes and 23 in the first half. Santa Maria to Aquino. Missed by Aquino, put back is good, and the Megavolts are moving the ball around so well.
Again, Nico, nakakuha na naman sila ng offensive rebound at yan ang pumapatay sa Pampanga Dragons at this point.
And making the extra pass has become an instinct for the Megavolts. Morante for the 3, it is too strong. The rebound by Magtulis, and the Megavolts will run once more. Magtulis, he will give it to Singson, who will give it to Aquino. Malakas lang ng konti yung pasa. But once again, Iloilo unselfish with the basketball, and Morante unselfish in that play, giving a DHL assist to Udoy Belmonte. DHL every second counts.
Great vision that time around, Morante. Sinasabi mo na may extra pass yung Iloilo Bolts. Yan ang problema ng Pampanga Dragons ngayon. Hindi nila pinapasa yung bola.
Well, Morante was open. That's why he took the shot. Ballesteros with the putback. Estong now with 13 points. Lead of Iloilo is 7. 1:34 left in the first half. Morante with a steal. Out to Morano. Morano, wala pa siyang 3-pointer. Morante will give it to Morano. 12 on the shot clock. Ballesteros against Santa Maria. And the foul will be, looks like it will be on Singson. Let's see. It is on Singson. That will be his second foul. Papasok agad si Joey Mente in favor of Dale Singson.
At this point, lamang pa rin ang 7 points ang Iloilo Bulls. Pero medyo nag-shift na yung momentum doon sa side ng Pampanga Dragons. At napaka-importante itong 1 minute and 16 seconds to go. Dahil kinakailangan ang Pampanga Dragons sa side nila, kinakailangan ma-bridge nila ng konti yung gap. Ang Iloilo Bulls naman, syempre mas gusto nilang lumayo pa sila ng konti. At tingnan natin kung ano mangyari dito sa last 1 minute na to.
Estong Ballesteros on the line. Front end of a 1-and-1 miss. Willie Mejia battling for the rebound. Good hustle mula kay Mejia. Last year, training team na to ng Pampanga Dragons at ngayon may pagkakataon na siyang magpakitang gilas.
Nakita kagad ni Coach Arek na
Yes.
puro offensive rebounds ang Iloilo Bulls, kaya pinasok niya kagad si Mejia.
Very tall player. Stands about 6'4", 6'5". Alvarez with the basketball. Medyo matagal na nahinig at si Bong Alvarez. Gives it to Ballesteros. Nice spin. Yes.
Good move by Eston. Kita niya kaya-kaya niya yung tao niya, kaya kinain niya.
Ilang beses natin nakita yan kay Estong. That pivot move. And the steal by the little man, Morante. He gives it to Bong Alvarez who will finish the break. At masayang-masaya in Pialong Basketball. Keniging Pampanga. Kakunangan lamang ng Iloilo Megavolts. At kailangan na mag-timeout ng Megavolts. 30-second timeout. Well, ginawa nila ng full timeout. Just a 3-point lead from a high of 11. Pampanga on a rampage. We'll be right back.
15-47 for your Pampanga Dragons!
Ang binato sa high court, ang kanilang solusyon, hinuli yung nagbebenta ng mani. It's a fact. Strange things happen dito sa ating NBA. And strangely enough, itong Pampanga dahan-dahan ng bumalik. This FedEx fast break crucial in that comeback. Alvarez finishing off the FedEx fast break. FedEx, we live to deliver. And that's why Iloilo's lead is down to just 3. 50-47. Time down to just 33 seconds in the first half. How will Iloilo silence this crowd? And how will they silence the fiery Dragons of Pampanga? Olistico pivots, loses the basketball, agawad sa ilalim. They call it jump.
Wala talagang magkikwit, wala talagang bibitaw sa bola. Talagang agawan din sila sa ilalim.
Privilege arrow, papanig dito sa Pampanga Dragons. And they will map out their strategy for the remaining 21 and 21.5 seconds of the first half. Itong 30-second timeout hatid sa atin ng Winston, now in a new international back. Pampanga called the 30-second timeout.
Ito yung sinasabi natin, Miko, kung gaano ka-importante itong last 1 minute na to. Kung napapansin mo, dun sa last 38 seconds, nag-timeout ang Iloilo. Ngayon, last 21 seconds, nag-timeout naman ang Pampanga. Ayaw nilang bumigay dito sa point ng game na to. Gusto ng Pampanga makashoot dito para lumapit sila ng konti. Ayaw naman pumayag ng Iloilo Bulls.
In fact, itong Iloilo Megavolts called 3 timeouts in the second quarter just to keep the Dragons at bay because the worst thing you need is for this crowd to get in the game.
Oo, tama yan. Pagka medyo nagiging maingay na yung crowd, pag medyo nagrarana yung Pampanga, dapat medyo i-silence mo na. Kaya lang, dapat maalala ni Coach Danny Gavieres na baka kailanganin niya yung mga timeouts niya sa endgame.
19 seconds to go in the first half. Pampanga trying to get the last say in the first 24 minutes of action. Remember, Ato Morano, wala pang outside field goal, wala pang three-pointer. All his points have come near the basket. And that's a sign of a very good scorer. Kung hindi gumana yung outside shooting mo, try to get your points some other way.
Oh, pero alam mo to si Ato Morano, huwag mo siyang papupuntahin sa kanan niya. Talagang iiwanan ka niya. That time around, hindi na-recognize ng tao niya. Binigay sa kanya yung kanan niya. And every time Morano goes to his right, he really goes strong to the basket. Hindi man niya ma-shoot, ma-foul siya. And that's what just happened.
Mintis yung unang free throw ni Ato Morano. Ang nag-foul sa kanya si Riolito Lura, who may not be too familiar with the style of play ni Ato Morano.
Ngayon, mahaba pa yan. 5 seconds to go. Pwede pa rin makashoot dito ng Iloilo Bulls.
Oh, catch, run, and shoot. The catch, the run, walang shoot. Kung kaya't matatapos ang first half with Iloilo up by a slim, a precarious, a shaky 2-point lead, 50-48. Sa aming pong pagbabalik, bibisitahin natin yung victory party ng Visayas champion Iloilo Megavolts. We'll have halftime highlights ni Coach Binky Faves and of course reports from Lexi Schultz and Ria Tanualco, all coming up as we continue our live coverage of the NBA dito sa San Fernando, Pampanga. We shall be back.
Live from San Fernando, Pampanga. Ang score natin po.
Iloilo nag-celebrate sa Kabalen Restaurant, Kapampangan Restaurant. So ngayon kinakalaban nila, Pampanga Dragons are up by 250-48. And Coach Binky, ano ba nangyari nung first half?
Oh, punong-puno ng aksyon yung first half natin, Miko. It has been a game of streaks. Both teams getting their share of runs. Nag-umpisa ng matigas itong Pampanga Dragons. Napakataas yung intensity level nila at nakakreate ng transition baskets. Morano for a fast break layup. Again, another defensive stop. Bong Alvarez going all the way at hindi mo kaya talagang pigilin si Bong Alvarez yan. May pilay pa yan sa lagay na yan. Next time down the floor, si Morano showing his hustle. Dale Singson really struggling against Shotang Kingson at the start. Tang Sen running the break. Ayaw mo akong depensahan, titirahan ka niyan. Nakadalawang ganyan si Shotang Sen for 6 points nung first half. Si Bong Alvarez really hustling underneath for another 2 points. And then after that break, after that streak, medyo naputo ng Iloilo Bulls yan. And now it's their turn to run their streak. Polisico getting a good rebound and pitching it perfectly to Francis Aquino. Tapos ni-replay nila yan. This time si Joey Santamaria nakakuha ng rebound. Again, Aquino, one of the best finishers of the league. Hindi papayag ang Pampanga Dragons na magkaroon ng last yung Iloilo Bulls. Right before the first quarter ended, nakashoot si Ballesteros. Pampanga Dragons up by 2, 25-23 sa first quarter. Start of the second quarter, it was the Iloilo Bulls' turn to make a run. Dale Singson going hard to the basket. Tapos si Yoyoy Villamin, off that double, nakakita nila si Joey Santamaria sa ilalim for 2 points. Again, Santamaria showing his hustle. Kinuha niya yung loose ball, tumira yung kasama niya, kinuha niya yung offensive rebound, hindi siya tumigil, going hard to the basket. Meron pa siyang free throw na libre pagkatapos niyan. At kaya naman pagkatapos niyan, Santamaria ulit, nakakuha na naman ng rebound, really going hard to the basket, at tuwan-tuwa si Coach Danny Gavieres. At hindi pa rin natapos. Ito, nakashoot na naman ang Pampanga Dragons. Now, it's the Pampanga Dragons turn to make a run. Belmonte, tapos si Ballesteros, yung 1-2 punch ng USD dati. Nandito na ngayon sa Pampanga Dragons. Again, another good defensive stop. Morante really hustling on both ends of the floor. Nakakuha siya ng steal doon, nabigay niya kay Bong Alvarez. At this point, 50-48, parang wala nangyari. Lamang lang ng 2 puntos ang Pampanga Dragons.
Like you mentioned, Coach Binky, wild exchange of gunfire dito sa San Fernando, Pampanga. Now, Lexi Schultz will now join us with a report for the Pampanga Dragons. I'm sure they're out to make adjustments, Lexi.
Yes, they are. But the Pampanga Dragons did display a few fireworks late into the second quarter. Ang sabi ni Coach Arik, all they have to do is solve the problem of the offensive rebounds and fast breaks of the Iloilo Megavolts, and they have a chance to win this game. They're gonna keep with their running game, pero ang sabi ni Coach Arik, walang susundot sa basket. He's going to keep with Atomorano and Morante. He wants all of his 3-point bombers to pay heed and to please connect this time in the second quarter. Also seeing that Aquino, Lura, and Dale Singson having a spectacular game. Sabi nga niya, maybe he's trying to prove something to me. They're going to be faster on defense, especially when it comes to the big men. Ang sabi niya kay Long David, please stay under the basket. Kayang-kaya mo yung maliliit nila at yung malalaki na rin. Doblehin natin ang effort natin sa second half. Let's see what happens. Pero magbabalik ang NBA 99. Huwag ho kayong umalis.
This half total commotion, rocking and raving, chanting and cheering, enjoying the thrills and spills, taking pride.
Welcome back to a jam-packed Pampanga Convention Center dito sa San Fernando. Halftime stats, Coach Binky.
Oh, alam mo, makita-kita natin dito na ang Iloilo Bulls is really lording it over the boards. Talagang ginagamit nila yung height advantage nila to the hill. Field goal percentage, 49% sa Iloilo Bulls as against sa Pampanga Dragons, 39%. At yan naman dahil ang daming turnovers ng Iloilo Bulls. Iloilo Bulls getting 18 turnovers as against the Pampanga Dragons 8. Free throws, is just about even. Rebounds, lamang dyan ng Iloilo Bulls. 35 ang rebounds ng Iloilo Bulls, 24 against Pampanga. Pero kaya naman nagkakaganyan kasi mas maraming attempts ang Pampanga, 49 as against 37 actually 61 as against 44 ng Iloilo Bulls. At yan naman dahil ang ganda ng dami nilang steals.
Look at the leading scorers. Francis Aquino with 14, Dale Simpson with 9. For the Dragons, it's Ballesteros, Alvarez, and Morano. But itong tatlong Pampanga Dragons not getting enough help.
Oo, makikita natin din sa second quarter na mag-ubisang kumonekta na sa labas yung mga shooter ng mga yan.
Those are Dave Bautista's first 2 points of the ball game. At tabla na tayo, 50-50. As we begin third quarter action between the Iloilo Megavolts and the Pampanga Dragons. And this is the matchup we started the game with, Tangkinsen kontra Singson. Polistico also back against Long David. Polistico to Santa Maria.
Alam mo to si Polistico siguro, ang pinakamagaling na big man pumasa. Ang ganda ng vision ni Polistico. Lalo na pag umaatake siya sa basket, nare-recognize niya kaagad yung mga cutters at yung mga shooter niya sa labas.
Joey Santa Maria is on the line dahil sa third personal foul ni Dave Bautista. Nabanggit nga ni Lexi Schultz kanina na gusto ni Arik yung 3-point shooters na will have to click because in the first half they were only 1 of 7 from 3-point range. At alam naman natin, an integral part sa success ng Pampanga is their 3-point shooting.
Oh, at nakita natin na sinubukan nung first half pero hindi pumapasok. Pero hindi sila dapat mag-alala dahil ganyan talaga to sila Morano sa labas. Pag nag-umpisang mag-connecta yan, baka tuloy-tuloy na yan.
Joey Santa Maria now has 8 points and gives Iloilo a 2-point lead, 52-50. Dave Bautista hit his first jumper earlier. Sumundot si Joey Santa Maria, tatawagan siya ng kanyang pangatlong personal foul.
Alam mo, medyo bago itong nakikita natin. Alam natin yung value ni Bautista sa team niya. Pero very rare na nilalaro siya ni Coach Arik sa post. Usually, ito ang tinatawag lang trash man. Kumukuha lang ng mga bola, pero ngayon nilalaro na nila.
Scored 0 in the first half. Ito si Dave Bautista. The miss by Bong Alvarez. Another rebound para kay Dong Polistico. Rebound number 7 for the big man. 2-point lead para sa Iloilo Megavolts. And for a change, Iloilo is slowing things down. Singson to Aquino. Aquino versus Morano. Aquino back to Singson. 3 of the shot clock. Singson will shoot. He will miss. Rebound ni Tangkinsen. Tangkinsen to Bong Alvarez on the run. Blocked by Joey Santa Maria.
Akala natin tutuloy-tuloy na si Bong Alvarez doon. That was a great hustle by Joey Santa Maria. Hindi siya bumigay doon.
Well, kanina pa talaga nagpapakita ng kakaibang hustle itong si Joey Santa Maria. Meron siyang isang dikit na dikit Vulcasil shot block. And back to live action, the Dragons trying to score. Morano. He has 9 points all on layups.
Yan ang nga yung sinasabi ng Nico kanina. Eksakto. Hindi siya makashoot sa labas. Doon siya sa loob ngayon muna.
At tablaw na naman tayo. 52-52. 10-16 to play dito sa third quarter. Jojo Lim, it's unusual for him to start a game or a half. Normally, he comes off the bench. Singson from 15, short. Polistico with his 8th rebound, but he loses the basketball. Long David leading the break. Nice give and go for the Pampanga Dragons.
Break by the Pampanga Dragons. Ang ganda ng pasa ni Bong Alvarez. At na-finish na maganda ni David. Pero wag natin kalilimutan na inumpisahan yun ni Shotang Kingsen doon sa depensa pinakita niya.
At kanyang talaga dinidikit na ng mabuti si Singson, but well, ginawa na niya lahat ng pwedeng magagawa in that
Hindi mo siya
sequence.
pwedeng pigilin. Pwede mo lang malimit.
And yung sinasabing you cannot hope to stop him, you can only hope to contain him. Dave Bautista with the basketball. 10 on the shot clock of Pampanga. Nice move inside by Long David. And someone had to give up a foul. Samantala, let's watch this break by Pampanga. It's a DHL assist. Give and go, DHL every second counts.
Medyo nakakapanibago yung sitwasyon doon. Si David ang nagdala ng bola.
Oo.
Tapos binigay niya rin kaya Bong Alvarez sa baba.
Wala
At
yan.
para big man, napakagaling niya talaga mag-dribble.
Wala sa libro yan eh. And so Pampanga is now ahead, 55-54, 9:25 to play. Long David can make it a 2-point lead with this free throw. But that is a miss. Hustled by Ato Morano. Recovered by Long David. Fakes. Out to Tangkinsen. They have all the time they need to score a basket. 16 seconds on the shot clock. Alvarez may tanga ng bola. Binabantay ni Jojo Lim. Inside to David. And he is fouled by Dong Polistico.
I can't help but notice the intensity na pinapakita ni Dong Polistico at ni Joey Santa Maria. Alam mo, Miko, miski nung kasikatan nito mga to, miski nung heyday sila noon, hindi ko sila nakita na maging ganito ka-intense. Hindi ko alam kung anong pinakain sa kanila ni Coach Danny Gavieres, kung bakit ganito sila kagana sa laro na pinapakita nila.
Morano from the left corner. Short. Morano cannot get his outside game going, and Aquino cannot reach the basketball. Ang may tanga ng bola si Coach Arik Del Rosario.
Medyo na-miscalculate ni Dong Polistico yung pasa ron. Pero di bale, marami na naman siyang na-create yung kanina at sigurado marami pa siyang makikreate dyan mamaya.
Coach Danny Gavieres dismayed by that turnover kasi ang Pampanga lamang na ng isa, 55-54. Over 8 minutes to play. They go back to Long David. He is the hot hand. Binubunggo si Dong Polistico. Balik kay Ato Morano. Ato Morano, he has struggled from outside. Almost made the layup. And the Megavolts have the numbers. 3-on-2 to Singson. Layup is too strong. Then we go to the other end. Pampanga wants to increase that 1-point lead. Another sorry miss for Ato Morano. Agawan para sa bola. Sino makakakuha? Jojo Lim gets the basketball. Counter steal by Dave Bautista. Bautista zigzagging to the hoop. Wala pa rin.
Grabe yung action na nakikita natin dito, Migo. Wala talaga bumibigay sa bola. Wala kang makikitang bolang dumidire-diretso sa outside. Talagang dinadive ng mga player yung bola.
The foul was on Jojo Lim at talagang
Akala ko makukuha na ni Jojo dun eh.
pasirko pa. Iba-iba kanina mapupunta ang bola. And Dave Bautista zigzagging to the hoop. You don't see that every day. Umatake, binangga.
At ang nakaka-impress dyan, hindi si Shot ang Kinsen yung kumuha ng loose ball.
Yes.
Si Dave Bautista yon.
At matinding effort for a big man to do that. And so Ato Morano will have the basketball. Matagal lang hindi gumagalaw ang ating scoreboard. Again, Iloilo will have the numbers. Joey Santa Maria finishing the 3-on-1 fast break. Balik ang lamang sa Iloilo Megaballs.
Again, intensity for you. Great defensive stop by Joey Santa Maria. Siya pa rin ang nag-finish nung break na yon.
At yung mga big men so far making the plays. The fast break of Iloilo that time puro malalaki ang tumatakbo. Morano has really struggled from the outside. No three-pointers, no outside field goals. Trying to go inside to Long David. So on the shot clock, David will have to shoot. Hindi niya alam na agaw pa ni Villamin. Dale Singson can hurt you in so many ways.
That's great confidence for you. Sasabihin ko sana, Miko, that wasn't a very good shot. Pero na-shoot niya, and that's all that counts.
Well, if you look at the Dale Singson's percentage from three-point range, very, very high. In fact, in one game against Davao, he had 5 of 5 in the three-point area.
Sa bagay, kung ako nga naman si Coach Danny Gavieres, siguro kung yung ibang players na tumira noon, pagsasabihan ko. Pero pag si Dale Singson, bibigay ko dahil alam naman natin nga yung percentages na sinasabi.
Pabor sa kanya. By the way, for dining and party celebrations, subukan nyo ang Partyland Party Place at MacArthur Highway, San Fernando, Pampanga, and Holidayland, located at Gapan, San Fernando, Pampanga. Dito ba tayo pumunta mamaya?
May sisig ba dyan? Yan ang masarap dito eh.
4 fouls from Dave Bautista. At ito si JP Pimentel, ang ating Eskinol Master Guapo of the game. Kompleto pa with Iloilo Megavolts tattoo on the face. Meron tayong timeout lamang ng 4 ang Iloilo. Magbabalik po kami.
Ngayon, mas pinalakas at mas pinahusay.
Watch out for the Caltech star player at the end of this game. Princess of the Pacific leaves Manila to Iloilo, Zamboanga, and General Santos every Tuesday at 10 a.m.
Yan, of course, a look at that Iloilo Megavolts temporary tattoo. Temporary yan.
Akala ko kiss mark eh.
Singson again. Talagang hindi ako naiinggit dito kay Aldrin Morante at Shot Tangkinsen sa kanilang trabaho ngayong hapon.
Isa sa pinakamahirap na trabaho rito.
Oo. And so Iloilo now up by 6, 61-55. Time down to 6 minutes and 26 seconds. Ballesteros, pivot, shoots, too strong. Billy Bancil in the game, put back, wala. Dale Singson burning rubber to Joey Santa Maria. How many times have we seen that in this ball game?
Grabe, ang ganda ng finish ni Joey Santa Maria, pero wag natin kalimutan na si Dale Singson na naman na nag-create ng tira na yon. Hindi siya makatira, pinasa niya, nakashoot pa rin yung kasama niya.
An equally nice assist from Dale Singson. 8-point lead for Iloilo. Billy Bancil in the game against Yoyoy Villamin. Itong si Billy Bancil, another hometown product. Naglalakad lang yan, no, to get him dito sa Pampanga Convention Center. Itong Iloilo Megavols in the middle of a 9-0 run. At malaking tulog dyan si Dong Polistico na meron ng 9 na rebounds para manguna dito sa Hardiflex King of the Boards race.
Alam mo, Miko, at this point, I can only imagine yung nasa utak ni Coach Harik ngayon. Biro mo, ang pumapatay sa kanya ngayon ay yung player na tinuruan niya at matagal niyang hinawakan, 5 years niyang hinawakan. And then sure, sinasabi niya na sana dito ka na sa akin.
Well, going along that line, actually ito si Dale Singson na was already being groomed na talaga sasali sana for Pampanga. Ronald Magtulis with a strong move to the hoop. Balik sa 10 ang kalamangan ng Iloilo. It has been Magtulis and Singson, the two rookies who are leading this franchise into better times, because alam naman natin last year ang Iloilo talagang hirap na hirap makakuha ng panalo, and this year it's a totally different story.
Pero wag natin kalimutan yung mga veterano nila dahil kaya naman gumagaling ng ganyan, nababanta ko nga, kaya naman gumagaling ng ganyan yung mga rookies nila dahil talagang tinuturuan ng mga veterano nila.
Ria Tanuatco, ano bang balita dyan sa bench ng Iloilo?
Well, Miko, I've come from a very intense time out on the Iloilo side. Ang gusto ni Coach Danny Gavieres ngayon ay yung bola dapat pumunta sa kamay ni yung veterano, si Yoyoy Villamin. They want him to drive hard to the basket, and this will mean that their other big men will have to move out in order to push the defenders out so Yoyoy can strut his stuff. Miko?
Yan ang magandang ginagawa ng Iloilo, Coach Binky, no? Magandang spacing. They're allowing their teammates to, they're giving them room to operate.
Oh, talagang excellence on both sides of the floor. Defensively naman, talagang hindi makakreate ng Pampanga Dragons against their defense.
11-point lead for the Megavols. 5 minutes and 10 seconds to go in the third. Singson to Villamin, to Jojo Lim. Jojo Lim will shoot. Jumper is short, may tulak against Billy Bancil.
Yun exactly yung sinasabi mo, Miko. That time around, nagbinti si Jojo Lim, pero nakita pa rin natin na na-recognize nila yung open man at napakaganda ng spacing nila.
Second foul on Billy Bancil, and Coach Adik Del Rosario having a very long afternoon. His team is down by 11, 66-55. Time down to exactly 5 minutes dito sa third quarter. Singson, iniwan si Morante, pabanda, malakas. Iba ni Ballesteros. Pampanga has been scoreless in the last 4 minutes and 30 seconds of the third quarter. Let's see if they can break the dry spell. Morante inside. The bump is called on Dale Singson.
Mukhang medyo napapagod na si Dale Singson at this point. Alam natin siyang nag-create ng run na yun. At biglang pinalitan na siya ngayon ni Coach Danny Gavieres. Papasok niya ngayon si Roy Literal.
The pick ni Ballesteros. Singson was forced to give up a foul, and he will be forced to sit down. Roy Literal, the third point guard in the point guard rotation ni Danny Gavieres, papasok na.
And the last guy off the bench.
Yes.
Lahat ginamit na ni Coach Danny Gavieres.
And just to show you how deep, Roy Literal at times was the starting point guard last year. May double dribble itatawag against sa Iloilo Megavols. Lexi Schultz, ano ba ang iniisip ngayon ng Pampanga Dragons? They're down by 11 at this point.
Well, Miko, they're not pleased with the way things are turning out for them right now. A very frustrated At Morano cannot seem to find an explanation for why his three-point shots are not going in. Surprisingly, Coach Arik Del Rosario is not as riled up as he usually is. He's decided to let his boys try the inside from where the double team originates, but they'll just have to see where this game is going to go. Miko, Binky?
Well, mahirap gawin yan, Lexi, because the Dragons cannot seem to connect their outside shots. Ibig sabihin, talagang mananatiling masikip sa loob.
Ang problema dun kasi, Miko, hindi sila nakakaharap ng good shots eh.
Samantala, itong Iloilo Megavols having their way doon sa kanilang panig ng hardcourt. Yoyo Villamin, easy one-on-one move. Madaling curl, easy layup.
Walang kahirap-hirap. Dito naman sa kabila, masyado nagwa-one-on-one sila. At ang problema, yung nasa weak side nila, hindi gumagalaw.
They are trying to force the action inside. So they will go to Ballesteros. At kaagad-agad, no, nagbigay ng foul si Joey Santa Maria. Basket will not count.
Number 18, Joey Santa Maria.
Napapansin mo nga, Miko, na masyadong gusto nila ipasok yung bola sa loob. Ang problema nito, kagaya nitong time na to, buti medyo nakakreate si Ballesteros dito. Pero kanina pa nila pinipilit sa loob. Ang problema, napakalaki ng lineup ng Iloilo Bulls. Si Jojo Lim at si Magtulis na naglalaro sa kanila sa wing. Pero parehong 6'4" yung dalawa na yan.
At may nakaabang pang Yoyoy Villamin na kahit kailan handang tumulong sa depensa.
Hindi siya katangkaran, pero ang lapad ng katawan, tsaka babanggahin ka ng babanggaan sa loob niyan.
That will not help the cause of Pampanga. Roy Literal to the streaking Ronald Magtulis to Jojo Lim. Again, very unselfish for Iloilo. And now they will slow things down. 10 on the shot clock. Magtulis has the basketball. They are up by 13 points. Nice fake by Magtulis to Literal to Jojo Lim. Great ball movement by the Iloilo Megavolts.
Until the last second, Nico, talagang hindi nila ititira. Pagkalanganin sila, ibibigay nila sa kasama nila.
Alam mo itong Iloilo, they are conducting a clinic in moving the ball around, making the extra pass and looking for the open man.
Talagang team game. Talagang limang tao nila nagtatrabaho sa loob.
Watch it again. Magtulis, medyo may ipit. Bigay kay Literal. Ang Literal, realize di siya makakatira, bibigay kay Jojo Lim. In fact, si Jojo Lim, pwede po bigay kay Magtulis in that sequence.
Oh, buti na-recognize naman ni Jojo Lim na patapos na yung kailang shot.
Yes.
Kaya kailangan itira na niya.
Ballesteros makes the first free throw. Pampanga is down by 14 points with 3 minutes and 14 seconds remaining in the third.
Kaya pala biglang tumahimik.
Oo. Actually, medyo matagal nang tumahimik ang ating mga kaibigan dito. Godoy Belmonte waiting for his chance to help out. Pampanga down by 13. Roy Literal now quarterbacking for Iloilo. Gives it to Yoyo Villamin working on the defense along the vid. 8 on the shot clock, 6 on the shot clock, 5, 4. Roy Literal, that is short. Rebound goes to Otto Morano, and Otto Morano will lead a 3-on-2 break. The Dragons have the numbers, and Alvarez will finish the fast break. That will be Bong Alvarez's 12-point lead down to 11.
At ito na naman, kinakailangan makastop yung Pampanga Dragons dito. Pag nakastop sila na isa rito, they'll be back in the game for sure.
And quick reaction ni Coach Danny Gaveres. Roy Literal, understandably malamig from the bench. Papasok na ito si Dale Singson, papalitan si Roy Literal. So turnovers have prompted Iloilo to call this full timeout. They are still up by 11. We'll be right back.
Now in a new international pack. Hartman, the NBA Under Fashion, the only undergarment made of 100% Super Coat company.
Kaya pa, Bengi, Pilipinas mula sa San Fernando, Pampanga. Ito po ay live na live crossover game between the Iloilo Megavolts and the Pampanga Dragons. The jumper by Long David cuts down Iloilo's lead to 9. Balik sa 11 dahil kay Dale Singson na meron ng 18 puntos.
Grabe talaga to si Dale Singson. Nakakaamoy siya ng sunog. Right away, sinabuyan niya na kagad ng tubig. And we're seeing great coaching here, Miko. Nakaramdam si Coach Danny Gaveres na medyo mag-uumpisa na naman magra ng Pampanga Dragons. Binalik niya kagad si Dale Singson.
So far, Iloilo has outscored Pampanga in this quarter, 18-7, specifically in the last 7 minutes and 25 seconds. Foul is on Otto Morano. That is his third personal foul.
Nakita natin dito yung adjustment na ginawa ni Coach Harik. Alam mo, ito isa sa mga maganda rito sa game ito. Napakagaling ng mga players at nakikita natin na napakagagaling din ng mga coaches. Nakita ni Coach Harik na nahihirapan si Shot tsaka si Morante kay Singson. Nilagay niya na ngayon si Morano para kay Singson.
Well, let's review the 5 on the floor for Pampanga. It's Morano, De Guzman, Alvarez, David, and Ballesteros. Near steal by Magtulis. He finally gets the steal. and the Megavolts trying to burn rubber. Jojo Lim nakakuha ng buwelo, at pag nakakuha siya ng buwelo, that perimeter jumper is 90% sure.
Miski na fast break, parang layup yun, Migo.
So lead of Iloilo back to 13 points. Less than 2 minutes to go in the third quarter. Maganda na yung ginawa ng Pampanga in the last 2 minutes of the first half, cutting the lead down to just 2 points. In fact, in the third quarter, nakalamang pa sila ng isa. But then Iloilo, they started going back to their system of moving the ball around and looking for the open man. And voila, lamang na naman sila ng 13 puntos.
Kala natin, magrara na sila. Tapos pinasok na naman si Dave Sixon.
Jojo Lim, that is short. Iwan by Bong Alvarez.
Now, Pampanga Dragons should settle down. Kinakailangan maging patient sila sa offense nila. Hindi nila kayang burahin kagad yung kalamangan na yan. Matagal pa, meron pa silang isang buong quarter para umabol.
Ballesteros against Dominic Uy. Inside to Andy de Guzman. Turnaround, jumper is good.
That time around, they were more deliberate. Nakahanap sila ng open shot. So, kinakailangan ngayon, maka-stop lang sila. Dumipesa sila ng mas maganda-ganda.
The Dragons are looking at an 11-point lead, 74-63. What they need now is a good defensive stop with 23 seconds remaining in the third quarter. Singson setting the offense. He says, I will shoot the three, and he misses. This may be what Pampanga can build on in the next quarter, but they lose the basketball. And Morano will give up the foul to stop the Iloilo fast break.
Napakasama ng sitwasyon na yun para sa Pampanga Dragons. Hindi nila na-recognize that there was only 18 seconds to go sa third quarter. Inatake nila, and then they turned it over, and now the Iloilo Bulls has an opportunity to convert 2 free throws. Ang problema pa niya, si Jojo Lim pa ang final nila.
Jojo Lim, a 71% free throw shooter, making the first and giving Iloilo a 12-point lead. And that bench has helped tremendously dito sa kampanya ng Iloilo. Jojo Lim, 2 for 2 from the line, lead back to 13. 10 seconds to go in the third. Pampanga wants to have the last say in the third quarter. Ato Morano for 3, short. Basket will not count. Diyan po nagtatapos ang third quarter sa pagitan ng Iloilo at ng Pampanga. 13-point lead for the Megavolts. How will the Dragons wake up from their slumber? We shall find out when the NBA returns dito po sa San Fernando, Pampanga.
Battery, ang bateryang pangmatagalan. Winston, now in a new international pack.
And as we begin fourth quarter action between the Iloilo Megavolts and the Pampanga Dragons, we are looking at an Iloilo team that has been described to have a great blend of youngsters and veterans. Look at the hustle of Dominic Uy. Magtulis to Uy, who will not score. Ato Morano burning rubber. Morano zigzagging. Loses the basketball. Recovered by Bong Alvarez, who scores under the basket.
Now, they should take advantage of this. Dapat ituloy nila itong run na to. Now, they should get a stop. Hindi sila makakahabol kung hindi sila dedepensa.
Seconds on the shot clock of Iloilo, a team which is still up by 11 points. Nice pass by Singson to Dominic Uy. Hindi na shoot ni Uy yung layup, but he got the foul from Ato Morano. That will be his 5th personal foul. Bad news para sa Pampanga Dragons. Morano has struggled with his outside shooting. No outside field goals, no three-pointers for Ato Morano.
At medyo minamalas pa itong sa Pampanga Dragons. Nagbintis na nga rin si Dominic Uy, but Ballesteros was caught stepping on the line. So now si Dominic Uy will get another 2 free throws.
Well, wala pa rin, but he will have another chance. And as you look at that convergence of talents, Mari Cuno, of course, part of the Iloilo Megavolts management team. Dominic Uy making the second free throw. He was egged on by Yoyoy Villamin and Jojo Lim. Ito yung magandang timpla ng mga veterano at ng mga batang players dito sa koponan ng Iloilo. Morante, atake. David, blocked by Uy.
Again, hindi na naman masyado maganda yung shot selection doon ng Pampanga Dragons. Hindi umiikot yung bola nila eh. Hindi sila nag-create. Gusto nilang mag-one-on-one na mag-one-on-one. They should start looking for the open man. They should start looking for good shots. And then they should defend on the other side. Hindi pa late. We have 10 minutes to go. 12 points lang ang kalamangan.
The foul was on Dominic Uy, his third. That's why Long David is on the line. Makes the first. Long David is a 61% free throw shooter. That is Alvin Morante. And this is Andy De Guzman na pumasok na in favor of the struggling Ato Morano. Morano will sit down with 5 personal fouls and only 9 points. Pasok ang pangalawang free throw ni Long David. Ang lamang ng Iloilo balik sa 10, 77-67. Over 10 minutes to go in the game. Missed by the Megavolts. The crowd sensing a rally. De Guzman finishing the break.
Great pitch by Adrian Morante. And this should start something for the Pampanga Dragons. Humiigay na naman dito.
Well, certainly this crowd believes this is the start of something big. Their team is down by 8 points. Singson, this will be big. The miss by Singson, the rebound by Bo Alvarez. Patakbo ang mga Dragon. Alvarez scanning the floor. Out to De Guzman from the corner. Too strong. And Singson will slow things down. 13 on the shot clock for Iloilo. Pampanga's defense is set. Tulis against Alvarez. Singson will cut. Fade away. Short. Singson again. No. De Guzman with the rebound to Morante. 2-on-1 to Alvarez. Yes! At masaya na naman yung Pialong Basketball Keniging Pampanga. From a 10-point lead, Iloilo's lead has been whittled down to 6, 77-71. Meron tayong timeout. Magpapatuloy ang North to South Rambulan dito sa NBA sa aming pagbabalik.
Hartman, the NBA Under Fashion, the only undergarment made of 100% super cone cotton. Watch out for the Celtic star player at the end of this game.
Okay, kanina yun nga si Bob Jones Velez, ang dancing utility man ng Pampanga Dragons. Of course, trying to lift the spirits of this crowd, no? Dahil itong ating mga kaibigan nakakaramdam na ng rally, pero Ronald Magtulis will silence the Pampangas with that virtuoso layup. Ria Tanwatco, itong Iloilo, medyo nakakaramdam na ng kaba, palagay ko.
Oh, tama ka dyan, Nico. They're suffering a bout of deja vu. What happened in the first half, they had a strong start, and then they weakened towards the end. It's happening again here in the second half. At ayaw nila maulit ito, so they will just have to settle down, execute their plays, at wag na wag daw magmadali. Nico?
Well, Ria, yan ang kanilang ginagawa ngayon, slowing things down after Pampanga had a blistering run to start the fourth quarter, 8-1. At nagpapatuloy pa rin ang pag-iimagsik nitong Pampanga Dragons.
Medyo umihigpit na yung depensa ng Pampanga Dragons at this point, kaya nakaka-create sila of transition.
That defense beginning to tighten up. Blocked by Long David. And this is the Pampanga Dragons team we are familiar with. Very intense on defense at tumatakbo sa opensa.
Oh, again, another good stop by Long David. Ngayon, kinakailangan niya mag-take advantage ang Pampanga Dragons dyan. Every time they turn it over, kinakailangan itakbo nila. Pero yung half-court offense, dapat medyo ayusin din ang Pampanga Dragons and they'll be back in this game.
Biggest lead of Iloilo was at 13. That lead is only down to 6, 79-73. Santa Maria to Jojo Lim. He had to shoot it. Time was running out of the shot clock. And Bo Alvarez with a floating move to the hoop. Missed the layup. Missed the hoop completely. Nakuha ni Jojo Lim ang rebound. Ang foul ay ibibigay kay Bo Alvarez, kanyang pangalawa. Lexi Schultz, ito naman Pampanga beginning to wake up from its slumber.
Well, Miko, when all is lost, resort to your home crowd. Pampanga Dragons, one of the best crowds in the MDA. But first things first, hawak muna ng bola. There were so many steals against the Pampanga Dragons. And secondly, the Dale Singson drive. Everyone is expected to help inside. Stop Dale Singson. Guys, back to you.
Thank you very much, Lexi. At ngayon, Pampanga wants to stop Yoyoy Villamin. 4 on the shot clock. Villamin, that is vintage Yoyoy connecting on the baby hook. And the push is on Magtulis.
Sayang hindi makuha ng Pampanga Dragons yung consistency nila. Kaya na medyo sumisikip na yung paint nila, hindi na makapasok yung Iloilo balls. All of a sudden, biglang makakalayap na naman si Yoyoy Villamin ng ganon. If they want to catch up, they have to be consistent on both ends of the floor.
Balik sa 8 ang lamang ng Iloilo Megavolts. 81-73, time down in the fourth quarter, 7 minutes and 28 seconds. Aldrin Morante. Morante, high dribble, blocked by Singson. Ill-advised move from Aldrin Morante. Singson from 15, short. Dave Bautista with a rebound. Dave Bautista with 9 rebounds. De Guzman, nice fake. Inside to David. David is double team. Nice move to escape the double team pero mintis yung tira.
Alam mo, kanina pa yan ang problema lang. Hindi sila makakuha ng good shot
8-point lead for the Megavolts. 6:47 to play in the game. Magtulis, bibigay kay Singson. Mismatch against Morante. Singson will lose the basketball. De Guzman will get it. They have the numbers. 3-on-1. The block by Magtulis and great defensive stand by the Iloilo Megavolts. Ang hindi naman natin maintindihan kung bakit si De Guzman, he had 2 teammates alongside him, did not give up the pass.
And that was the 4th situation in a row.
Sidestepping move by De Guzman, but Magtulis with those long arms ready to block the shot.
Another wasted opportunity by the Pampanga Dragons. Kailangan mag-convert sila dun sa mga sitwasyon na ganon.
Masang-ayon si Boy Abellero, ating final scorer. Joy Mente now in the game.
Again, that's Coach Danny Gavieres looking beyond. Pinagpahinga muna niya ngayon si Dale Singson para mamaya sa endgame.
Dahil meron pa tayong 6 na minuto. Over 6 minutes to go. Dito sa fourth quarter. Villamin against David. He is double team. Finds Jojo Lim on the other side. Jojo Lim blocked. Rebound or loose ball recovered by Strong Ballesteros. The Dragons are looking at an 8-point lead. Medyo matagal na rin hindi umaandar yung ating scoreboard. 6:05 remaining in the game. From David, monstrous pick on Mente, kaya tatawagan siya ng offensive foul.
Ngayon ang hindi ko maintindihan dito, Miko, bakit kanina pa nila pinipick and roll si Morante? Si Morante does not have any advantage against Joey Mente. At doon, that was a good call by the referee. Talagang medyo binump off ni David doon. They should start moving the ball around. They should start looking for the open man.
So sa ngayon, parang tumatakbo sa putik itong Pampanga Dragons. Hindi makausad-usad, hindi makaarangkada. Still down by 8. Joey Mente to Magtulis to Villamin. In the past few minutes, play has been emanating from Yoyoy Villamin. 3-pointer by Magtulis offline.
Now, Pampanga Dragons should start converting. Kinakailangan mag-convert na sila rito if they want to come up with something.
Long David, baseline jumper does not go in.
Again, another bad shot by the Pampanga Dragons.
And you know, the amazing thing is yung mga kaibigan natin dito sa Pampanga Convention Center, ayaw magsiupo. They are still hoping and praying na magsisimula na namang bumalik. Come back from the Pampanga Dragons. But Jojo Lim and the Megavolts have done everything to perfection. They move the ball around, they find wide open men, and they are hitting their perimeter jumpers. Dave Bautista, he is fouled by Joey Santamaria.
Ito yung sinasabi ko sa iyo, Miko. Si Ballesteros had 15 points in the first half. Dito sa second half, he has only 2 points. Hindi dahil minamala siya. Ang problema, hindi siya nakakahawak ng bola. Hindi dumarating yung bola sa kanya.
Tatawag ng timeout ang Pampanga Dragons. This team, the defending national champions, are down by 10 with 4:58 to go. They will have to find a way to get back in the game. Kami naman po ay may timeout. Magbabalik kami.
Light Battery, ang bateryang pangmatagalan. Princess of the Ocean leaves Manila to Cagayan direct every Saturday at 8 p.m.
Welcome back to San Fernando, Pampanga. Kanina po sa Cagayan de Oro, nanalo ang Amigos over the Pangasinan Waves. 103-92. Richie Tixon was named best player with 19 points. Nakasama niyo po dun si Bob Novales, Danny Francisco, Babian, birthday boy Babian, and Alex Santos. Dito naman po sa Pampanga ang inyong mga kasama, Vicky Faves, Lexi Schultz, Rietan Watco, at ang inyong lingkod, Nico Halili. Estong Ballesteros had trouble operating from the baseline. The foul will be on Dominic Uy. That will be his 4th personal foul.
Listen to the Singson value. He has 18 points, 8 rebounds, point guard siya, and he has 7 assists. Grabe ang all-around value ni Dale Singson.
So far, Singson having an incredible crossover campaign. Yung sa San Juan, talo sila, no? But he had a great all-around game for the Mega Balls. Dave Bautista's sneaky move will not work. And so Iloilo still up by 10 big points with 4 minutes and 28 seconds remaining in the game. Once again, the play will start with the veteran Yoyo Villamin, who will look for cutters or who will look for the open man. Sundot ni Bautista, ball will stay with the Megavolts with only 4 seconds on the shot clock.
Now, the Dragons should get a stop dito. Napakasama na kung masushutan pa sila rito.
Singson, yes! Beating the shot clock and pounding, stucking a dagger into the hearts of the Kapampangans.
Yan ang sinasabi natin kay Dale Singson. He has 20 points, but more than that, ang dami niyang sinut na mga crush shots, crush baskets.
Now, Coach Arik Del Rosario is complaining because of that move by Dale Singson to create room for his shot.
Medyo close call talaga. Alam mo, hindi mo masisisi ko si Coach Arik dahil medyo binangga nga ni Dale Singson. Kaya lang, alam mo, palagi may advantage talaga pagka ikaw ang offensive player.
At tinawagan ng technical foul si Coach Arik Del Rosario. That's why Magtulis is on the line pero mintis yung kanyang technical free throw.
Now, I'm sure si Coach Arik is up to something. Umaangat siya sa referee, nagwawala siya. Pero hindi yan lang ang gusto mangyari. Gusto niya mangyari. I'm sure that's a motivating thing. He's trying to liven up his boys.
Sa akin naman paniniwala sila ni Francis Rodriguez, the 2 best motivators dito sa ating NBA coaching fraternity. Ballesteros with the basketball. He will try to move inside. Again, another foul on Dominic Uy. 5 fouls now on Uy. But Iloilo is still up by 12 points.
Oo, at saka ang dami-daming papalit kay Dominic Uy. At yan ang malaking advantage ng Iloilo Bulls. Ang foul trouble ka, walang problema. Mapagod ka, walang problema. Marami pang nakaupo sa bench na papalit.
Yes, I still see Joy Santa Maria is in there. Aquino is there. Dong Polistico is there. And all those players have contributed. Ballesteros really having a nightmarish game from the 15-foot line. Marami na siyang naimintis dyan. So it's still a 12-point lead for the Visayas champions. Magtulis will try to give it inside to Dale Singson. Only 5 seconds left. The steal by the Dragons. And Ato Morano will have an easy layup. That is Morano's 11th point. So balik sa 10 ang lamang ng Pampanga. The steal by Bautista. Another rally by Pampanga. Well, tingnan natin. Ato Morano to Alvarez. He was thinking 3. Ato Morano, no 3-pointers for the game. From the right corner, he is blocked. And there is a foul, so he will shoot 3.
Lucky break for the Dragons. Oo, maganda yan. The lead is down to 10. Makakashoot si Morano. If he converts on the 3 free throws, the lead will be down to 7. With 3 minutes to go, anything is still possible. But the Dragons should start doing something very drastic.
Morano's eyes were set on the lead. Remember, si Morano, wala pang 3-pointer for the game. But he will have 3 free throws coming his way. And he will take those free throws after this timeout. It's a 30-second timeout. Hatid sa atin ng Winston now in a new international pack. Pampanga hold the timeout. Let's listen into Coach Arik Del Rosario.
Papasok ng tatlo. Magiging pito. Stop tayo. Kunti-kunti depensa. Pare, hindi tayo konting taga na lang. 3 minutes na lang. Stop tayo. Maka-stop tayo, then execute the play. Mulante. Kanina pa libre si Mulante. Wala. Kaya natin ako.
Pare, konti pressure lang. Nagdadala ng bola, subilyanin mo. Ang daling agawan, gaganon-ganon mo.
Sila mo lang, pwede ng bola. Behind us day. Go.
I am looking at the standings and I am thinking long term. Pampanga is in 4th behind Manila, Pasig Rizal, and San Juan. Now in games like these, you have to think win kasi ayaw mong ma-bracket sa baba. Mangyayari dyan, aharapin mo Manila in the first round of the playoffs. I am thinking long term, Coach Vicky.
Oh, totoo yan. Siyempre, importante yung standings. Ayaw mong masyadong bumaba dahil pagka bumaba ka, makakalaban mo yung mga nasa itaas. Tama ka dyan, Miko. But at this point, ang kinakailangan isipin ng Pampanga Dragons, they should start going back on track. Sinasabi nga natin na hindi pa nila makuha yung rhythm nila, hindi nila makuha yung momentum nila. And now's the time to start getting back to on track.
But Morano, after making the first, misses the second. Meron pa siyang isa dahil he was fouled while attempting a three-pointer. And once again, we are looking at the Fernando Po Jr. team of the NBA. Ito na naman ang Pampanga na iwanan dito sa fourth quarter and now hoping to stage a comeback with 3 minutes and 7 seconds left. They are down by 8.
Yan pa ang isa pang problema. Of course, they're putting in a lot of pressure. Lumalabas ang intensity nila. Kaya lang masyado silang kumafoul. They should just defend with control. Kailangan makabalik sila sa game na to by defending fair and square.
So panibagong 23-second shot clock para sa Iloilo Megavolts. More time to burn for the champions of Visayas. Villamin. This is probably the 6th time they'll be doing this. The play will start with Yoye Villamin. If he is clamped, he will go out to an open shooter. And that is Ronald Magtulis. Wild shot. 2-on-2 break for the Dragons. Ato Morano. Nice pass to Bong Alvarez.
Now, ito na. I think the Dragons be in business this time. 6 points down. 2 minutes and a half to go. Golds in trouble.
Si Almira Mola Alvarez leading the cheers for the Dragons. Samantala itong si Ronald Magtulis is on the floor and is clearly in pain. Medyo malakas kasi ang kanyang pagbagsak off that off-balance jumper earlier. And now the team trainers are attending to Ronald Magtulis. Of course, we always hope that yung ating mga malalaro are okay. Not just to get back in the game, but generally okay na walang seriously differentiated sa kanila, no? Walang masyadong problema sa kanilang physical well-being.
Nangyari kasi masyadong napataas yung talon niya, bumagsak si Morante, pero hindi niya nabagsakan si Morante.
Oo, wala siyang nabagsakan.
Oo, so dumiretso siya sa sahig at napakatigas ng sahig dito.
Samantala, ito yung magandang 2-on-2 break na ginawa ng Pampanga to cut Iloilo's lead down to 6. Time in the game down to just 2 minutes and 29 seconds.
And that's a good sign. Si Morano, titira na niya, libre na siya, pero binigay niya yung extra pass. And that's what the team should be. Now, they should be back in business. They should start creating for each other. And they should be back in the game. 6 points down, 2 minutes and a half to go. Anything's possible.
Look at this picture. This has been the story for this Iloilo franchise this year. Villamin helping out Magtulis. The veterans helping out the rookies. In fact, in practice, as you shared with me, nagtuturuan sila, they share moves underneath, yung mga gulang, yung mga technique sa ilalim. And that is the essence of teamwork. Sabi nga ni Nash Rosella, nakasabay natin sa aeroplano minsan, assistant coach ng Batangas, ang nakakatakot dito sa Iloilo, maganda kasi ang samahan ng mga veterano at ng mga baguhan.
Oo, talagang tulong-tulong sila.
Iloilo taking care of what seems to be a precarious 6-point lead with 2:18 to go. Morante trying to steal. 4 on the shot clock. Singson traveled.
And the Dragons are back on track. Very important possession for the Dragons. Kinakailangan maka-create sila rito. Kinakailangan makaharap sila ng open shot dito.
They isolate Dale Singson from the top of the key. naalanganin si Dale Singson, no? Hindi tama yung pagkalkulan niya ng kanyang move to the hoop. And so, Pampanga trying to erase a 6-point lead with 2:01 to go. Final 2 minutes brought to you by Winston, now in a new international pack. And the Dragons are back in the game, only down by 4, 85-81.
The Dragons giving the extra pass, looking for their open teammate, and now they're back in the game. 4 points down.
If you were not able to hear me, again, itong ating final 2 minutes hatid sa atin ng Winston, now in a new international pack. Itong ating mga kaibigan dito sa Pampanga Convention Center, live na live at loud na loud. Ang kanilang kupunan, only down by 4. The steal by Ato Morano. But he loses it to the end line. It looks like Morano is hurt. Might have hurt his left knee. And that knee has been problematic as of late.
Great hustle that time around by Morano. Kaya lang medyo nadulas siya at nabitawan niya yung bola. Sayang, nakuha na niya yung control ng bola. Kaya lang nadulas siya roon.
Ayun, the left knee hit the floor very, very hard. And he immediately knew na masama yung tama doon sa tuhod.
Now let's hope na medyo na instinctive lang yun. Dahil alam natin na may pilay siya dati doon. Usually ang mga players, pagka may pilay, biglang naaalala nila yung pilay. Let's hope that's the case right now.
Now yung kanilang PT, team physician na si Robert Miguel, sabi nga niya itong si Ato Morano making jumper's knees, no? Ibig sabihin, medyo delicate yung construction ng tuhod ni Ato Morano.
Medyo masama yung bagsak, Miko. Medyo ang lakas ng talbog ng tuhod niya sa floor.
He was actually floating in mid-air trying to chase the basketball, and the first thing that hit the floor was his left knee. Of course, we all hope that he is okay.
Talagang hindi natatapos yung mga problema dito ng Pampanga Dragons. Akala natin nagrarana sila. All of a sudden, napilay pa ngayon si Morano, who was very instrumental in that run.
And they are still attending to Ato Morano. Yun yung kanilang PT na si Mr. Miguel. Well, that's a good sign, no? Ato Morano up on his own. But they will have to help him back to the bench. Well, anytime wala tayong nakikitang stretcher being carried onto the floor, that's always a very, very good sign.
Sana medyo ninervyos lang si Atoron. Sana hindi ganun ka-serious yung nangyari sa kanya. Kaya lang mukhang hindi niya maapak.
So with 1 minute and 43 seconds left to play, Iloilo still holding on to a 4-point lead, 85-81. They were up by 13 points at one stage, pero itong Pampanga Dragons talagang ayaw na ayaw sumuko. Villemin with the basketball, 13 seconds on the shot clock, 1:31 remaining in the game. Play broken up by Ballesteros. The fans asking for a foul.
And that was a very bad foul committed by the Dragons. There were 2 seconds to go in the shot clock. Sayang.
Okay, there is an uproar dito sa Pampanga Convention Center. The play was broken up earlier by Estong Ballesteros, and now it is getting ugly here in Pampanga. 1:22 to go, 4-point lead for Iloilo. We'll just have this break. Magbabalik po kami. Welcome back to a very fired up Pampanga Convention Center. Ito yung nangyari kanina. There, Ballesteros broke up the play, but of course the fans and the coaches of Pampanga claiming that Joey Santa Maria blocked the way of the clear path of Estong Ballesteros.
That was really big kasi siguradong mako-convert na ni Estong Ballesteros yung 2 points na yun. Naharang siya ni Joey Santa Maria, but it turned out to be a no call.
Nevertheless, ito ang Pampanga. They still have a chance to get back in the game. They are just down by 4. De Guzman, what a move, but he misses. He gets the miss. De Guzman will try again. No! Bautista is blocked. And he will go to the line.
Parang may takip yung ring ng Pampanga Dragons.
2 great moves from Andy De Guzman. Yung isa, reverse, mintes. Yung isa, pabanda, wala pa rin. But Dave Bautista, the good offensive rebounder that he is, in the right place at the right time.
Now, let's hope that is also good for free throw shooter. Kailangan niya itong free throws na to. And Nico goes to first.
Bautista is a 54% free throw shooter. If you're a Pampanga fan, you hope yung average na yan, kalimutan na niya. At mapasok niya itong kanyang second free throw. This will cut the lead down to just 2. But it misses. But Bautista gets its own miss, doesn't score. Big rebound by Yoyoy Villamin.
Sayang, 3 point blank shots ng Dragons, parehong puro nagbintes.
Singson, gutsy pass in Santa Maria is fouled by Dave Bautista.
Sayang. Nakadalawa si De Guzman doon, tapos si Bautista, lahat nagbintes para nakatakot yung ring ng Pampanga Dragons. Dito naman sa Iloilo Balls, talagang nakaka-create sila ng mga opening.
That was Dave Bautista's 5th foul. Joey Santa Maria on the line for crucial free throws.
Now anything is still possible. 3 points down. Miskin ma-shoot niya yung dalawa na yan, it will just be a 3-possession ball game.
In and out yung unang free throw ni Joey Santa Maria. He is a 77% free throw shooter. Ito ang timeout situation.
Now I was surprised that Coach Arek didn't use his timeout to freeze Joey Santa Maria.
He didn't have to mintis yung dalawang free throw ni Joey Santa Maria. And Aldrin Morante, a very good quarterback, also 30-second. Well, it's a full timeout for the Pampanga Dragons. They are down by just 3 points, 85-82, less than a minute to go. We shall be back with this cliffhanger from Pampanga. Stay with us. Welcome back to San Fernando, Pampanga, and this will be a cliffhanger. Iloilo was up by 13 points at one point, but ang Pampanga, FPJ style, talagang ayaw sumuko. Kaya pagbakbakan ng gusto, sakto na lang ang lamang ng Iloilo with 54.9 seconds to play. Timeout situation, Coach.
Timeout situation, Iloilo has 1 full timeout and 1 30-second timeout left. Pampanga has only 1 full timeout, and this will play a major role dito sa stretch na to. Importante ito mga timeouts na to. Now, ito nang, this is where you separate the men from the boys. This is what toughness is all about. Hindi na masyadong basketball yung laro dito, Biko. Toughness na to. Kung sinong mas tough, yan naman nanalo rito sa game na to.
And tough also means executing under pressure. Let's see if the Dragons can execute. Alvarez working against Jojo Lim. Morante, gutsy move! The little man scores big! At ang Iloilo lamang na lang ng isa, 85-84. Time down to 34 seconds. Naipit si Aquino, agaw ni Bong Alvarez. The Dragons are now going for the lead.
And now, all of a sudden, the Dragons has a chance to take the lead. Very important free throws on the shoulders of Andy De Guzman.
4th foul on Francis Aquino. The Dragons in the last 3 minutes have been forcing crucial turnovers. Ito yung pinakahuli. Inipit si Francis Aquino. Steal will be completed by Bong Alvarez. And as they have shown to us in the last 3 minutes, hindi na sila ay nagiging unselfish, always looking for the cutter and the open man. And at that time it was Estong Ballesteros who missed the shot. But he has 2 free throws to give the lead back to Pampanga. That ties the game at 85-85.
Now, let's see if he's up to it. Tingnan natin kung si Ballesteros ay matibay ang puso.
Well, in the 4:10 mark, Iloilo was down by 12. They're now down by 1. Pampanga is ahead, 86-85. Iloilo will call a full timeout. This is their last full timeout. Meron pa silang 30 seconds remaining. Magbabalik po ang NBA. This is a cliffhanger. Stay with us dito sa Studio 23.
Nest.
Bakit di ba tayo lihat? Okay, 1-4 na kagad! Pwesto na kagad! Ha? Okay? Mag-gobol sa kanya, mag-gobol! Okay! May gobol! 1-4 eh, 1-4! Ano naman, 28 seconds yan! We have
habang inagaw na ng dilim ang liwanag dito sa San Fernando, inagaw na ng Pampanga ang lamang mula sa Iloilo Megavolts.
Nakita mo yon, Miko, yung pinakamaliit na tao ng Pampanga Dragons, yung pinakamalaking puso, si Aldrin Morante.
Hitting the bank shot. And now the Dragons will play defense. Iloilo wants to regain the lead. And this will be
And that will really be costly, Miko.
Wala na silang timeout. That will be Iloilo's last 30-second timeout. And as you can hear and as you can see, masayain Pialong basketball Keniging Pampanga. This 30-second timeout that hits sa atin ng Winston. Now in the new international flag, it's crucial that we hear Danny Gavieres at the stage.
Angel! Angel, dito ka! Angel! Yoy! Going! Isa lang! Hand up, ha! Ben! Ingat! Pag hindi pwede, Yoy! Cut! Okay, fire! Ben! Pag hindi! Skid! Kuha!
That was a very costly timeout, Miko. Alam mo, kinakailangan, lalo na pagka madikit yung laro na ganito, kinakailangan may timeout na natitira. They wasted one timeout just because they weren't able to inbound the ball.
So ang Iloilo, wala na pong timeout. Crucial inbounds, and they go to Dale Singson. 23 seconds to go. Singson is smothered down low.
21 seconds to go in the game, 16 seconds sa shot clock, may 5 seconds differential tayo.
And it's a one-point ball game. Iloilo down by 1. Villamin, he will not shoot. He will look for someone to pass to. Gusto niyang bigay kay Dale Singson. 8 on the shot clock. Singson dinidikita ni Morante. Morante near steal. The Dragons get the basketball. Along the mid, well lowered, a layup. This place is rocking. Alam mo, matapos sa... well, hindi pa tayo tapos. No? There's still 1.8 seconds remaining. That has been the story of the last 3 minutes of the game. The Pampanga Dragons forcing one turnover after another, getting one steal after another, and connecting on layups to get the lead back and to give this crowd so many things to cheer for. Naintindihan kita, Coach Benji, talagang pinapausta dito sa Pampanga Convention Center. What a game it has been. Iloilo down by 13, and then Pampanga in true FPJ fashion, nakipagpambangan, nakipagbungguan, at humabol, at umumang na ng tatlo. And so this is how it will end. De Guzman on the line with a chance to seal the game for Pampanga. One-on-one situation for De Guzman. Here's what happened earlier. Singson, who played a masterful first half, lost the ball in the final seconds of this game in Long David with long strides, finishing off the break. De Guzman sinking the first. One more, and this will be a ball game. This will be a win for the Pampanga Dragons. The crowd asking for just one more. And that's the game. And I will say this again. Masayang masaya in Pialong basketball. Keniging Pampanga. Final score, Pampanga 90, Iloilo 85. And what a struggle it was for the Dragons. In the first half, nothing was going right. Iloilo, they were moving the ball around well. But in the end, itong FPJ ng North Division 1 talagang nagpakita ng tapang. Okay, and if Lexi Schultz is ready with our best player of the game,